So, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the magic of Vedic mathematics. Now, one request to everyone, this is a workshop, not a webinar. So, please switch on your videos and interact as much as possible. Whatever questions, doubts, queries you have for Vedic mathematics, I'm here to solve. Right. So, we'll be learning, we'll be going through a magic today, and you all will experience that magic. That
Yes, sir,
magic.
just a second. Susma Tamang is waiting outside. Please once
No,
admit her.
sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Susma Tamang is not outside?
Now she came. Join.
Yeah, okay.
Don't worry. Anything you have, you can send me on my WhatsApp. I'll do it. So,
Okay.
right. Otherwise, let me make you co-host. You can allow them.
Okay. Yes, thanks.
Co-host, sir. Okay. So, welcome and good afternoon. So, my only request is you should participate because then only you'll be experiencing that magic of numbers, that magic of Vedic mathematics, what we call as. Right. Once again, welcome to the magic of Vedic mathematics. Yes. So, very first thing, I would gladly welcome you here. And also, I'll ask you to pat yourself, to congratulate yourself that you have taken the first step towards learning of Vedic mathematics. Now, why I'm saying this, pat yourself, why I'm saying congratulate yourself, because how often it happens that we plan for certain things and we make it possible. See, we all dream, right? We all make resolutions. Every new year, we make certain resolutions. Yes, I'll start morning walk tomorrow. I'll start with jogging tomorrow. I'll start with meditation. I'll start with yoga. I'll start doing learning something. But are we able to complete our resolutions? Yes, Mr. Basant. Are we able to do it? No. So for now, we have taken the first step towards the learning of Vedic mathematics. And whenever in life we take some initiative, we take some step forward, we should always thank God. And the best way to thank God is congratulate yourself that yes, you are able to take that step. And let me introduce myself before the start of this workshop. So I am Dr. Yogesh Chandana, an internationally certified trainer of Vedic mathematics. I'm also an author of Vedic mathematics books, Step by Step. And as an educator, I'm working from last 25 years and I help and motivate people to grow as an entrepreneurs, right? So how many of you are looking further to grow as an entrepreneurs? Yes, no voice? Am I audible?
Yes, yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
Please switch on your videos and let's interact. Let's talk to each other. Right. So this is what I said. The first step is the most difficult one. The first initiative is the difficult one. Once the journey starts, then it is no difficulty. Then it is like you continue with your steps. But the first step is the most difficult one. And that is why we always say, whenever you take the first step, congratulate yourself, pat yourself, be happy, be motivated all the times. Right. One thing more I have seen, we always feel, oh, I am grown up, I'm of this age, I've done so much, I have already achieved everything in my life. Why should I move further? So please, age is just a number. There is no limit for knowledge, gaining knowledge. You know, when did what was the age of the president of America when he became a president? What is the age of the KFC man? You know how many times he struggled, how many times he failed, and then he succeeded. So history is full of such examples. And similarly, we should also never think that I'll not be able to do this. We should have that motivation in our life. Yes, we can do it. Like you can say, जिंदगी इसी का नाम है, इसलिए हार नहीं माननी कहीं से भी और कभी भी शुरुआत हो सकती है. Lexi 2087, what's your name? So I'll start my workshop with a very important quote from Bhagavad Gita that says, our nature should be that we should be self-confident and motivated all the time. But what happens during one day also, we get demotivated. Our confidence gets shaken. Have you realized sometime? You say, I'm not in a mood, so I'll not have lunch. I'll not do this thing, or I'll not do this thing. I'm not in a good mood. What is that? Why do we lose our confidence? Why do we get demotivated? What is expected from our life? To remain confident and motivated all the time. You must have realized the same thing I was talking about. Every new year we make resolutions. Yes, 31st we make resolution. We'll start new things from 1st Jan. What happens in the morning? We get up late. Then we plan. No, let's start it from 2nd. Then let's start it from 3rd. And this continues. Every new year we do the same thing. Yes, is it right or not? Yes, everyone.
Right, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, it's right, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why it happens? Why do we postpone our plans every time? Because we are not confident of what we have thought, because we are not motivated. See, confidence is the biggest thing in your life. Being motivated is the most important thing in your life. And when these two things fail, we just scramble. We are ready for the examination. We are fully prepared. And at the last moment, before going to the exam, we just think, what will happen if I fail? So it's better I should not attempt also. We generally don't attempt just with the fear that we will fail. It happens or not? The fear factor of failing or losing, we don't even attempt. That is our mistake. That shows we are not confident, we are not motivated. Bhagavad Gita says, whenever positive thoughts come in your life, whenever you have a positive thought, there is always a doubt associated with it. So when you are planning for yoga, meditation, shlokas, anything, you'll think, should I go for it? Should I not go for it? So in the morning, first morning when you get up, you think, okay, let's start it from tomorrow. But if you have planned for a movie, do you change that program? Do you postpone that program? Do you not? No, I will not say going for a movie is a negative thing, but it is not constructive, it is not educative, it is not what will bring a change in your life. So that is what is said. See, our epics give us a very deep knowledge, and that is we should believe in positivity, right? So not to worry, now you are at the right place, right time, and we'll try to learn something new, which is called as Vedic mathematics.
Yes.
Okay, so let's start with the positivity and confidence. Now, what we'll be doing, what is this workshop all about? So we'll be learning Vedic mathematics. We'll be learning how to launch our classes, because that is more important. Learning is one step, launching is the second step we'll do tomorrow, and leading towards the success, to the path towards success in our life. So let's start with history of Vedic mathematics. So how many of you in this workshop are aware of the Vedic mathematics? Yes.
Yes.
Galaxy A7, please rename yourself so that we can talk to you also. Madhu, Sushil, Manoj. Yes, what is Vedic mathematics? Anything you know about Vedic maths?
Vedic mathematics is a process of learning which is derived from the Vedas.
Okay, good. Yes, Neelam.
Logical
Mm-hmm.
solution
Mm-hmm.
from easy way.
Great. Yes, it's not only about mathematics. We have a view that it is only related to mathematic calculation. No, it is life-changing process. And today we'll learn all those things. Yes, Divya, Manoj, Sarita, Sushil, Sanju, Madhu, Samyan. So many students and we don't have answers. Or we are waiting for others to answer and listen. See, if you want to lead in life, you have to lead. Nobody will share your success, or you will not be able to share anybody else's success. Right? Okay. Now, the very first thing, why it is called as Vedic mathematics. It is called Vedic mathematics because of its origin from our Vedas. How many Vedas do we have?
4 है मेन, उससे ज्यादा भी है.
हाँ, चार
There are four.
कौन कौन से हैं?
Sorry sir.
मेन 4 वेदास कौन कौन से हैं? Yes, Samyan, do you know the Vedas?
नाम भूल जाती हूँ सर.
Rigved, Samved, Yajurved, and Atharved. Yes, anybody? Okay. Manoj? Divya?
Yes,
नहीं वेदास पता? Okay. So,
पता थे सर, यजुर्वेद और पता थे.
So, to be more specific, this subject, Vedic mathematics, has been derived from our Atharveda, the 4th Veda, the Veda which deals with branches like engineering, mathematics, sculpture, medicine, and all the sciences today we are aware of. Right? So you now got it? Why it is called as Vedic mathematics? Because of its origin from Vedas. Clear? Any question? Second. Now, but this efforts, how this subject was revived from our Vedas, it is just because of efforts of Jagat Guru Swami Bharti Krishna Tirath. Now, he was a Shankaracharya at Govardhan Peeth. Govardhan Peeth is in Jagannath Puri, that is in Orissa in India. Right? So, Vedic maths called as Vedic maths because of its origin from Atharveda, and this subject has been revived by the efforts of Jagat Guru Swami Bharti Krishna Tirath Maharaj. Any questions? Correct. Now, tomorrow, when you start with the lecture, when you start with the classes, how to explain in very simple. Now, if a child asks you, what is Vedic mathematics? In a very small line, can you define? So it is what makes your calculation easy, simple, and faster. Vedic maths is what makes your calculation simple, easy, and faster. A very simple definition. Technically, yes. If we go for a technical terms, you can say it is a collection of techniques, or what do you call as formulas. In maths, we do call as formulas. Techniques are the different methodologies, the different methods. And when we talk about Sanskrit or when we talk about Vedic maths, we call it as sutras. So it is a collection of techniques or formulas or sutras to solve mathematical calculation in a more specific, in easy, simple, and faster way. Clear? Now we said sutras. So how many sutras do we have? Here we have 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras. All we can solve with Vedic maths, it's not only arithmetic. We can solve problems in arithmetics. First is arithmetic operation. That is very important. All your addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, squaring, cubing, square roots, cube roots, divisibility. Other than that, algebra, trigonometry, geometry, conics, calculus, and even organic chemistry. Now the concept is clear. What is Vedic mathematics, how the name has been derived, and who is the person behind this. Yes, any questions, Mr. Basant, or anyone else? Anyone has any question? Okay,
No, sir.
very good. So people are shy. How will you take the training class? Because students will not leave you. All of you are teachers over here. Maybe you are shying in asking me the question, but your students will not be shy enough. They'll ask you anything. Right. So be prepared for that, because definitely it's a new subject. Now the question arises, we already have so many subjects. Mathematics is already there. What is the need of Vedic mathematics? Why is it required? Now, if I talk in terms of, in context of India, so this subject has been introduced in our national education policy and it has been made mandatory. That means it has to be taught to students from class 3rd to 9th. But what about other countries? What about other regions? Why is it required? I'll give you the reason. The first reason behind that is it helps to make calculations 10 to 15 times faster. Yes, all of you agree on that? Do you have a doubt on that?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Do you have a doubt or do you agree on that?
Agree, sir.
Why do you think so? That speed will increase 10 to 15 times faster? What makes us
Numerically
think?
not.
Yes, sir.
The numerically not it's compared, but is faster than the normal one.
Okay. Yes, Neelam, Sushma, Rajina, Doma Sherpa.
सर इसमें कोई डाउट ही नहीं है, बिकॉज लॉजिकल जो चीज में लॉजिक आ जाता है हर चीज में वो फास्टर होगा. एंड हमारी जिंदगी में मैथमेटिक्स एवरी डे एवरी सेकंड यूज करने की चीज है. तो हमारा ब्रेन जितना फास्ट उसको मतलब प्रैक्टिस करने लगेगा, ब्रेन उतना ही एक्टिव एंड शार्प रहेगा. मेरा ये मानना है.
Great. Now, everyone has heard this term. Yes, it makes the speed faster. It increases speeds 10 to 15 times faster. This everybody knows, because whenever we talk about Vedic mathematics, so this is the first advantage we hear. The first thing we hear is it increases speed. And there is no doubt about it. But have we ever thought about it? Why does it happen? How does it happen? What is the scientific reason behind this? Anyone? Manoj, आप कर रहे हैं वैदिक मैथ्स, क्या रीजन है? Why does speed increases?
Practice logic.
Your voice is breaking. Your voice is breaking.
Observation must be.
नहीं आपकी अब
सर बेसिकली वैदिक मैथ के अंदर लॉजिक है. हम क्या है कि हम एक मिनट सर. हेलो.
Yes,
सर वॉइस इज क्लियर.
now I am able to hear. Yes.
सर वैदिक मैथ एक्चुअली एक ऑब्जर्वेशन है और दैट इज एन डिफरेंट एंगल. एक हमको देखने का एक डिफरेंट एंगल है. हम क्या करते हैं कि जो बुक्स में जो दिया रहता है मेथड वही यूज करते हैं और
You are correct. You are correct. But when we
मैथ इज क्रिएटिव स्किल. मतलब आप कुछ.
no, you are
सॉरी सर.
You are correct in some context, but my question was very different. My question was, what is the reason behind increase in the speed? इसके पीछे साइंटिफिक रीजन क्या है? स्पीड बढ़ती है, हम दूसरे एंगल से देखते हैं, ये बात ठीक है, बट स्पीड क्यों बढ़ती है?
सर लॉजिकली समझ आता है सर.
Okay, okay.
हम
Yes, Mr. Basanta, do you have no issues? Your voice is breaking too much. No issues. Yes, anyone else? Or I should answer then?
प्लीज सर आप आंसर दीजिए तो हम लोग को और अच्छे से समझ में आ जाए.
I see the something now I'll be giving you the answer. There are not even single reason behind it. There are many reasons behind it. Now, the very first reason is, okay, how do you write something on paper? It is
To right.
left to right, correct? How do you read a paper?
Left to right.
So why do you do maths right to left? आप सारे
ये
काम
practice.
जिंदगी में लेफ्ट टू राइट करते हैं. अभी you all are sitting at your home, correct? Or in your office, wherever you are sitting. Just see in front of you, there is a door, cupboard, anything placed. The first thing you will see is the things placed on the left hand side and then on the right hand side. So that means your brain works in the coordination with the eyes from left to right only. Everything in your life you do from left to right. So why mathematics right to left? Yes, any math teachers over here? Any math teachers? Why do we do mathematics from right to left?
Because हमारा brain आधा हिस्सा नंबरिंग में काम करता है, आधा हिस्सा मेमोराइज करने में काम करता है, लॉजिकल एंड मेमोराइजिंग.
तो फिर तो आपको दोनों ब्रेन से यूज करना चाहिए, फिर उल्टा क्यों चल रहे हैं? जब सारा काम आप लेफ्ट टू राइट कर रहे हैं तो मैथ्स को ही राइट टू लेफ्ट क्यों कर रहे हैं? बिकॉज वी हैव बीन फॉलोइंग दिस पैटर्न. एक्चुअल रीजन इज we have never questioned this thing. We just followed what the English system told us, what the European system told us. We just copied the way. We never thought about it. Okay, so that is why we just keep on doing. Now, in Vedic maths today, what you will see is we can solve the questions right to left and left to right. So when you can solve in both the ways, your speed will automatically increase, and this you will experience. So this is the first reason why it happens. Second major reason. Now, if you have seen, this is for all the females. Males के लिए भी मैं बताता हूँ. अगर घर में मेड एब्सेंट हो तो आप काम जल्दी करते हैं या लेट करते हैं? मतलब आपका काम जल्दी हो जाता है या लेट हो जाता है?
फास्टेस्ट हो जाता है. कि हमें पता है कि वो नहीं आएगी, हम और ज्यादा प्रिपेयर करने लग जाते हैं एंड हम और ज्यादा कॉन्शियस होके काम को खत्म करते हैं कि एंड ऑफ द डे हमें ही करना.
Yes, Sukhmaya, Sanju, Sushma, what about you? See, these are the practical reasons. Sorry, come again, ma'am.
So same reason.
So
we know that we have to complete by ourselves, so we used to do it in time.
okay, let me put it that way. We are not dependent on that time and anyone, so we are able to do it more faster.
Yeah.
So that means when we are not dependent on some work on someone, that work we are able to complete it much faster time. Correct? The same rule applies on Vedic mathematics. You will be able to solve the problems either mentally or in very few steps, a single step. So that means you are not using even paper and pen. When you are not using any external object, you're just using your brain. So speed will automatically increase. Clear? So this is the second major reason why speed increases. Now coming to the third reason. Yes, Manoj, you have raised hand. Please tell me.
सर एक्चुअली जो मैकॉले था जिसने ये हमारा एजुकेशन सिस्टम बनाया है, उसने बनाया ही गलत सिस्टम. वो इंडिया को खत्म करने के लिए बनाया गया था सिस्टम, तभी वो राइट टू लेफ्ट चलते हैं. अदरवाइज हमारा सिस्टम तो लेफ्ट से राइट था. जो हमारे वेदास में था वो लेफ्ट से राइट था.
प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि
मैकॉले ने
मैं आपकी बात समझ रहा हूँ, पर प्रॉब्लम क्या, हम सब उसके बाद ही पैदा हुए हैं, तो हमें वो चीजें नहीं पता. करेक्ट. एंड बनाया
सिस्टम ही ऐसी है.
Yes.
From the first day of the school हमें राइट से लेफ्ट ही सिखाया जाता है। वो टीचर्स को क्या बच्चों को तो क्या पता होना था, बच्चों टीचर को भी पता है कि राइट तो लेफ्ट से हो सकता है। मतलब यही चीज खूबसूरती है वैदिक मैथ की कि उसमें जो सही तरीके से सिखाया गया है कि लेफ्ट से राइट ही आप ऑयली कर सकते हैं। जब आप राइट से लेफ्ट करते हैं तो कभी भी आप ऑयली आंसर नहीं कर सकते।
Yes.
अगर आप लेफ्ट से राइट करोगे डेफिनेटली यू विल गिव द आंसर ऑयली।
Great. Right. So we'll all experience this today because see, बातें बहुत हैं, but until unless you see the practical truth, nobody ever will agree to it. So the third reason is, now this is very important. I'll ask a question to everyone. Please, I don't want the answer from you. I just want what would be the first step. My question is, if I ask you what is 576, I'm writing. My question is, if I want 576 multiplied by 121, how will I calculate? So what would be my first step? Yes, Basanta, sir. First step क्या होगा मेरा?
You have to multiply from the right, no? This 1, 1, 2, and 1.
Okay, so that means 576 and below you'll write 121 and then you first, correct?
Yes, yes.
Please remember you have given this answer. I'll change your words today. Yes, Samyan, Neelam, Sushma, Sukmaya. Basanta sir, who are math teachers in your school? Please tell me. I will ask them. They should participate. See that if you'll participate, then only you'll be experiencing everything. Okay, so our first step is, as for sir said, we'll just write down 576, 121, and we'll start multiplying 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, and then we'll add, and then we'll find the answer. Correct? Just remember this. So we have already gone through 2 reasons. First reason was left to right. Second reason was dependency, independent on the. Now the third reason is, when we learn Vedic mathematics, we try to visualize everything. That is known as visualization. Means, you know, maths is what? What is maths? Maths is basically a pattern. If we understand the pattern once, nothing is difficult. So every time in mathematics, we visualize. Now, visualization, then we try to find the reason behind it. This is known as reasoning skills. And the third, we apply logic. I can give you example right here. I don't want to give you example. I want you to experience that example. In cut short, I'll just say, with Vedic mathematics, these 3 things improve, because you will not do the calculation as you have been doing. Whenever a number is given to you, whenever a calculation is asked from you, you first try to visualize, is anything hidden in that number? Is this number related to something, or what this number holds the properties? And as per that, you find the reason and then you apply the logic. So that means Vedic mathematics improves your VRL. Generally, I call it as, this is not learning of mathematics, it is a life-changing process. Now, why I call it as a life-changing process? If you remember, as a teacher, if 2 students are fighting, what do you say? You try to ask them first, be calm, then tell us, what is that? The first thing is, you want them students to visualize what they are fighting on. Then they'll be finding the reason, and then they apply logic. So whenever in life you come across any situation, whatever good or bad situation is there, if you'll try to visualize that situation, definitely you'll be able to find the reason behind it, and on applying the proper logic, you'll never fail in your life. So Vedic maths is nothing but a life-changing process. When we are teaching Vedic maths to the students, we are not teaching only students. We are learning so much from this subject. And you have to believe I am the biggest example on this topic. From last 25 years, I'm into business. But from since I have started Vedic mathematics, my life has entirely changed. I'll give you the live examples later on. But it is what makes your life changes. And when visualization is started, when reasonings are there, logics are there, speed automatically increases. Right? So we'll all, whatever reasons I'm giving you right now, will practically experience, then would be the correct workshop. So these are the three reasons. The fourth important reason. Now, ma'am rightly said, we have two brains, left brain and right brain. Now, who are the people who have left brain active? Yes, Neelam? Who gave that answer? Who are the people who have got left brain active?
Left-handed.
That is very...
No, right-handed. Right-handed people, active left brain.
So that means, now generally everybody 99.9999 are right-handed. So that means only right, they have, it is not this way. See, the features are people who are logically stronger, they have their left brain stronger. And people who are arts oriented towards arts, they have their right brain active. Correct? Because now this, what you call it, left-handed or right-handed, I don't know about Nepal, but in India, if a mother comes to know that my child is left-handed, they'll start changing it from the initial days only. And the person changes. So that doesn't mean that the brain will change. No. Right. So it's just a myth that left-handed and right-handed are this way. Actually, the people who are logically stronger, they are having their left brain more active, and the people who are more active in arts, dance, and all those activities, their right brain is more active. Correct? Now with Vedic mathematics, I told you that we'll be solving the calculations mentally. Now, when we are solving mentally, that means you are keeping some part of the calculation in your intellect. Right? Brain में थोड़ा सा रखेंगे calculation. What happens? So one brain will solve that calculation and other will give the answer. So this way, both the brains become active. Right? So when both the brains become active, I'll give you one very good example of multiplication tomorrow, in which your both brains will start working, and you will experience, and that when both brains are working, what will happen? What is the end result? Your speed increases. So these are the basic reasons behind our increase in speed. See, what do we do? Actually, what is happening in Vedic mathematics? We all know, yes, Vedic maths increase speed. But we should also know why it happens. Until and unless you are clear with the system, you cannot further express it. You cannot teach it thoroughly, and students will find it difficult to understand. So, did you understand all the four reasons? Yes, anyone? See, what we have started is why Vedic mathematics, and the first reason, first advantage we told, it increases our speed. That is why we should learn Vedic mathematics. It increases speed 10 to 15 times faster. And we realize now why this happens. On why we answered 4 different reasons. Is it clear up till here? Now, do you want to experience it?
We got the ideas.
Clear, sir.
Now,
Clear.
take out your paper and pen. We'll practically experience all these things, whatever we have learned till now. Ready? But now I want an answer from everyone. If your voice is not there, if you have audio problem, please share your answer on chat box. But you have to give the answers. Then only you'll be able to understand more. And in the last I'll be sharing you homework. So all those who have not registered till now, or who do you think your number is not with me? So please share your WhatsApp number on the chat so that I can send you the homework. Once you'll be completing your homework, all your doubts would be clear, all your thoughts would be clear. And after that, in the next class, in the next session tomorrow, we'll be able to move further, right? So the first topic we'll be starting today is multiplication. With 11 and its multiples. Please write down this topic also, because I'll ask you this question again. Right. So how many of you are aware about the multiplication of 11? Now, 11 is such a beautiful number. If you multiply with a single digit, the end result is the same single digit number repeated twice. Yes, have you seen this magic? But what happens when the number becomes bigger? Let's say 12 into 11. Yes, how do you find it? Basanta, sir.
130.
How? This
132.
कैसे करते हैं find?
110 plus 32 and 22, 132.
Okay, so that means if I'll ask you 19 into 11, then
This one 209.
okay. And if I ask you 919, okay. Today I'll give you, you will be able to solve all this within seconds. I'll give you a very key topic today. Whenever you have to multiply with 11, whenever, see, first number as it is, last number as it is, in between add the numbers. $15 into 11,
165.
165.
18, 198.
198.
So how much time now it is taking, sir? Any calculation, any bigger calculation? Earlier you were taking again 2 steps. The first step was you were multiplying with 10. And second, you were multiplying with 1, or you were keeping the same number and adding both. Here what I am doing is, I'm keeping both the numbers same, and in between I'm adding both the digits. Yes, is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir, yes.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Clear. Okay, one more example.
3 digit multiplied by 11.
We will do up till 5, sir. Don't worry.
Eh,
Sushil Chaudhary, we are going to do it, sir. We have to practice everything. Still, it is. So what is 23 into 11?
Yes, sir. 253.
253. 253.
Yes, others who are in the workshop, are they present or they are just attendance due to sir? Our principal sir told, so we are attending, but we are not there. Yes, sir, I hope so. Ask them to give the answers at least.
253.
It should not take more than a second. 26 into 11.
286.
286. 286.
6 into 11.
396.
396.
396.
Yes. Let's make it more fast. 45 into 11.
495.
495.
495.
81 into 11.
891.
891.
90 into 11.
891.
900.
990. 990.
Okay, 81 I've given. 72 into 11.
792.
792.
Very good, Divya. Yes, Rachna Singh, Priya, Jose. What happened? You're not getting or you don't want to answer. You'll be losing yourself. I don't mind. Because then you will not experience that magic. I want you to experience that magic. You should be fast enough. Yeah, I'll give you. Have you heard about the great all? Okay. So if I ask you what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11, it is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5. And you all would be able to answer this today. Very easy. Okay, now again repeating 36 into 11.
396.
396.
Okay.
396.
And what happens if it is 37 into 11?
Okay. 30. No.
407.
407. 407.
Now here we need to understand what happens actually. Till now, all the numbers were having, on addition, they were not having any carryover. But here what happened, 3 as it is, 3 plus 7, it becomes 10 and 7 remains as. Now, in between, see, in between, I was writing 3, 10, 7. Now, to make it more clear, in Vedic math, we use a line. This line is called as balancing line. Physically, it has no role. But it is very important. If you understand this balancing line, you'll never go wrong in calculations. Half of Vedic math is done. All the operations, even scaling, cubic, this works on this balancing line. And what is the role of this balancing line? Now, do you remember this place values?
Yeah.
How many digits you can have at unit place?
1,
How many digits at tens position?
2.
2 are the total number. On tens, only how many?
Only 10s.
Only
1.
1.
Total if you count is 2. But if you count on
Yeah.
3, it is. Similarly, 100 also it is only 1.
One.
Every position.
1. Yes. If you count 3, then it will be 100.
Right. So this balancing line is for that only. You have to maintain. Now this was considered this is unit place. Only 1 digit, correct. Here 2 digits. How is it possible? So what happens? The extra digit is
1 carry.
more. So it becomes
Okay.
407.
7.
This is the balancing line rule. Big calculations you can easily solve if you understand this role of balancing line. Nothing is the rule. The rule is simple, to maintain single digit in each line. That's all. Okay. 47 into 11. What is the answer?
57.
417.
517.
517.
517.
Now I'll tell you how to use your brain, both the brains. See, you know, I have to write 4 over here. But before writing, just observe, am I getting a carryover? Yes, I'll be getting a carryover because 4 and 7 will give me a carryover. So immediately I'll
Yes.
convert into 5 because carryover will be only 1 only. Can I get a carryover of 2?
No.
No.
Because 9 plus 9 is the maximum digits. 9 plus 9 will always give me 18. So that means carryover is maximum 1. So instead of writing 5, this is how you have to use your brain. Both the brains will start acting. Once this is done, done. Then 4 plus 7, last digit is 1 and 7.
1 and 7.
Yes.
48. Oh, sorry. 54. 55.
55 means 105.
605.
605.
605. 605.
Sorry, 605. I don't want.
No problem. Not at all. Now it's here. Okay. 66 into 11.
Okay. 7,
7 to
1,
7 to 6.
7 to 6.
7 to 6.
7 to 6.
Okay.
7, 1.
6.
Yes, anyone still who has not been able to do, or still who has doubt? Yeah, I think we have 15 people in the workshop and only 2 or 3 are answering. Why? Others are not able to understand. Yes, Rachna, Josie, Priya, Sarita, Sheila, A7 Galaxy, all from Galaxy School. Huh? Josie, it's clear for me. It's okay, ma'am. But try to give the answers. The more you'll participate, more you'll be learning. And because answer is very easy, everybody knows. But when you start using it, then you'll experience more. Okay. Now fast. 78 into 11.
858.
858.
87 into 11.
Sorry.
957.
Okay. 8, 5.
This was 858. Okay. Now 87 into 11.
957.
9.
957.
Acha, all of you have got
8,
the
5,
now all of you have the calculators. Try pressing this question on calculator. Tell me, you are fast or calculator is fast?
We are.
We are fast.
So why do you use calculators? Why do you ask students to use calculators when you can do much faster? I'll give you more examples, bigger examples will solve. But the problem is students are doing such small questions on calculator. It is, you can do better than the speed of calculator. Why you are using calculator? Have you ever thought of it? Okay, no issues. We'll solve today. 93 into 11.
93. 3. 2. 1.
1023.
1023.
2, 3.
1020.
Very good.
Ah,
Okay, what is the largest two-digit number? Largest two-digit number.
99.
99.
99.
So what is 99 into 11? 99 into 11.
99.
Fast.
108 and 9. 1089.
Again, you can check with the calculator if you want. So we have covered from numbers 11 to 99. That means all two-digit numbers have been done. Correct?
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
any doubt in two-digit numbers?
No, sir.
So now
No.
let's move towards three-digit numbers. Yes, Sushil Chaudhary, you wanted three-digit number. Now we'll go for that also. Every time, but you have to answer also. You're not answering. 1, 2, 3 into 11. Again,
1, 3
1
into
as it
11.
is. 1 plus 2, it gives 3. 2 plus 3, it gives 5. And 3 as it is.
It's a okay.
Yes, clear?
Oh, yes, clear.
But if there is a carryover, we'll follow the same procedure. Okay, what is 321 into 11 then?
321. 1, 3,
3531.
531.
3531. 3531.
3531. Yes,
Yes.
Sushil Chaudhary. Did you get the answer?
3531. Yes, sir.
531.
Clear?
Yeah. 1.
Very good. Okay. 424 into 11. What is the answer?
4,
Oh.
6,
6. 6. 4664.
4, sir.
Yeah. 4, 6.
Okay. 464. Now what is the answer?
464.
5,
Okay. 4,
0,
50
no. 5, 1,
51.
0,
510.
1, 5. I think 5015.
छुट्टी वाला भएर
ये
यो तीनटा डिजिट भन्ने बित्तिकै पहिला फोरलाई जस्ताको त्यस्तो
Last
लाग्छ
one.
त्यसपछि यो दुईटा जोड्ने
Deva, please. If you have
6 र 4 कति हुन्छ?
5104.
52,504.
10 भएपछि यता 1 दिने, यो 5 0 अनि 6 र 4 कति हुन्छ फेरि?
5104.
nothing.
1 त्यसपछि
5104. 5104.
I don't know. Yeah.
5104.
तीनटा डिजिट आयो भने 4 2 4
51.
मल्टिप्लाई बाइ 11 आयो भने हेर यस्तो गर्ने, 4 पहिला जस्तो त्यस्तो लेख्ने, 4 र दुईटा जोड्ने 6, फेरि यो दुईटा जोड्ने 6 अनि लास्टको डिजिट राख्ने.
Yes, Sanju, you are correct. Any doubts you can ask. Yes, Basanta sir. Any doubt now?
No, sir, no.
But you are not answering now.
6435.
6.
435.
Very good. So now you check with your calculator who is faster. And in the normal procedure, do like this: 585, 11,
465.
585,
Yes.
6, 6, 4, 6, 5. And now, how simple? So, which is simple? This process, A or B?
Be simple.
I think B1 is simple process.
We'll learn more on this. This is what is called as magic of Vedic mathematics, and you'll experience today everything. Okay. One last thing. 9.
6, 8, 9. Okay. 9, 7, 17.
9, 7.
9, 6, 7, 9.
9, 7, 7, 9.
9779.
9779. Carry चाहिए, carry.
9779.
9779.
Clear? Got it?
9779.
In your brain. It is here. No. What cat is coming? Got it? Okay. So what is the largest thing?
Hey, dhoka lai disho na.
Arey, dhoka lai. Divya, for your household. Samyan, आपको समझ आ रहा है? Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
So are you answering?
Sorry, sir.
Answer कर रहे हैं आप? Okay, what is the largest three-digit number, Samyan?
What, sir?
What is the largest three-digit number?
999.
So what is 999?
Sorry, sir.
What is 999 into 11? Multiply by 11.
18 minus 1 गए ना, very 18, 19, 19 okay, 10989.
10889.
10989.
10989.
Very good. Now is it clear? Any doubt you have? Up till three-digit numbers, anyone has any doubt?
No, sir.
That be able to do three-digit numbers?
Yes, we can do.
Very good. And much faster than the calculator. Very first thing is this. Because we used to believe that calculators are faster. Now we are doing much faster than the calculator. Correct?
Yes, sir.
That's
Yes,
great.
sir.
That should be with us. Okay. So now let's move further. And further we have four-digit numbers. So I told you that you'll all be able to do calculations mentally today. Right. Now see. A four-digit number. Let's take a very simple number first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 to 11. Yes, anyone can give me the answer? Now the pattern remains the same.
7, 5,
1, 3,
2, 5, 7.
5, 7.
1, 3, 5, 7, 4.
1, 3,
5, 7, 4.
2, 4, 5, 7, 8.
Yes, Basanta, what happened? Kahan confused ho gaye?
4, 7,
Got the point, sir.
5,
Yes.
Anyone?
4, 3 plus
1.
4, 7, 2 plus 3, 5, 1 plus 3, 3, 1, 1.
So we are just doing this way. First digit as it is, then 1 plus 2, 3, 3, 2 plus 3, 5,
3.
3 plus 4, 7, and 4 last as it is. How easy is it? Correct? Okay. So let's do one more. So what is 4, 3, 2, 1 into 11?
3.
I'll be giving you homework today on this. Then you will be perfect.
4, 7,
4, 7, 5, 3, 1.
1.
4, 7, 5, 3, 1.
5, 3, 1. 1, 1.
1, 1. That is true.
5, 6, 5, 6 into 11.
6, 5, 6 into 11. 6.
6,
6 plus 11, 1.
6, 1, 2,
2.
2, 6. 6, 2, 2, 1, 6.
6 to 2, 1.
6.
So see, again, I could have written
5.
Then
1, 6.
Then
Sorry. 6, 2, 2, 1, 6.
if you
6,
find
2, 2,
difficult,
1,
you
6.
can write this way also initially, because definitely first time it is difficult. I do agree. 6, 2, 2,
6, 2, 2,
6.
1, 6.
Yeah. Okay. 7, 1, 8, 9.
7, 8, 9. 9.
7, 8, 9.
10, 0.
79079.
7,
9079.
7, 9.
Yeah.
7, 9, 0.
Yes, everybody? Is it same or different?
Yes. No, no, same. 7, 9, 0.
7.
Still easy or difficult?
Easy.
Okay.
Easy.
Last. So what is the largest positive number?
999 9999.
So what is 9999 into 11?
9, 9, 9, 18.
18.
9, 18, 19, 19. 109989.
10999. 999. 1099.
I know 109989.
109989.
9989.
109989.
109989. Yeah.
Got it? Everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So I asked you initially what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11. And that time you were not able to answer. Now you can answer easily. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
See, verbally you are calculating 5-digit number. Can you believe on yourself? 5-digit number. And for 2-digit numbers, we used to get the help from calculators. Now today you are able to do 5-digit numbers without calculator and in much speed. The only thing is you were not aware about the system, the logic behind it. Here,
Yes.
anyone has doubt? Divya, Sheila, Priya,
No, sir.
No, sir.
Clear.
No, sir.
No, sir, no.
let's solve some. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Excuse me, sir. I was connected in the
5, 9, 7, 5,
7, 5.
3, 1.
5, 7, 5. 5, 7, 5, 9, 7, 5, 3, 1.
5.
Divya, you were saying something?
No, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, I was disconnected in the middle. That's why I'm a little bit confused where we get the carry one. Other one is I understand.
First thing is you need to understand. If you are not present 100%, you will not be able to learn. Why do I say that? Switch on
Actually,
your...
I was disconnected. That's
Yes,
why,
ma'am.
sir.
Listen to me also. Why I say connect, be online or be video on, because then you'll not be disturbed everywhere. Okay. Now, up till which number you have done? 2 digits, 3 digits?
Actually, I know the simple numbers, but where we get carry one double number, there I was confused.
Suppose this is 99 into 11, correct? Now this is 9. What is 9 plus 9?
18.
18. Yeah. 18 and 9. Now we have to remember one thing, that now this is known as balancing line. So in each of the balancing line, you have to maintain a single digit. Now here it is single, okay. Here you cannot have 2 digits, because as per your the place values, you need to have 1 digit at each place value. So this digit is carried forward and it becomes 1089. Now you got it? Yes, Sukmaya? Did you understand now? Okay, no issues. Okay, see, I'm giving you all one big question.
Oh my God.
No, God, you all can do it with 11. Just think. Why I'm giving you this big question? So that
1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
9,
1,
9,
1,
7,
3,
5.
3,
5,
5, 9, 5,
5, 8, 9, 7, 5, 3, 3, 5, 7, 9, 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. Oh my God. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 9, 7, 5, 3, 3.
I can understand you all can do it. Why I gave you this big no question? The fear of numbers you had in your mind, remove that. Numbers are nothing. If you understand the pattern, you'll never go wrong. Correct? Okay. Now, before moving ahead, what was the topic? What topic we started?
Multiplication.
Multiplication
With 11.
with 11. Yes, everyone agrees on that? Multiplication with 11?
Yes.
Yes.
So where did we multiply, sir? Where did we multiply?
Multiplication with 11 and it's...
ठीक है दिव्या, मेरा क्वेश्चन है कहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन किया हमने? Where did we multiply?
No, sir, we didn't.
We added.
Add, only add.
The numbers.
No.
Addition we did.
Yes, we have not multiplied.
We did addition.
What we added? See, let me make you understand. When we start teaching to class 3 or 2, initially when we teach 2 into 3 or 2 into 1, the first day a student does not understand what this cross means. So what we say, multiplication is a successive or replicative addition, right? So we make it this way: 2 plus 2 plus 2 3 times, that is 6, or 3
Repeated addition.
6. So we call it as repetitive addition. Means बार-बार addition करेंगे. But did we do repetitive addition in this case?
No.
My first question was 12 into 11. So did I add it 12, 11 times?
No.
No.
11
No.
times.
No.
And what I did. So your answer was incomplete. Whosoever said addition, your answer is incomplete. Can you complete the answer now?
Logical add pattern.
हमें बड़े वर्ड्स नहीं यूज करें जो बच्चों को समझ ही ना आए. Very simple. Be simple so that everybody can understand you. देखो बड़ा बड़ा बोल के कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. बहुत सिंपल हो जाओ. हर इंसान आपको जब समझ जाएगा, हर बच्चा जब हर टीचर को समझना शुरू कर देगा, तो कुछ भी नहीं रह जाएगी दिक्कत. Yes, बसंत सर, दिव्या. So what we did was we added corresponding. Corresponding क्या होता है? साथ वाले डिजिट. मैं एक एग्जांपल दिखा रहा हूँ. हमने ये क्वेश्चन किया 1 2 3 4 5 into 11. क्या हमने 1 को 5 से ऐड किया? क्या हमने 1 को 4 से ऐड किया? क्या हमने 1 को 3 से? हमने 1 को 2 से ही ऐड किया ना, और 2 को सिर्फ 3 से ही ऐड किया. So what we did, we added corresponding digits only.
Corresponding.
Remember, understand. Addition. If you say we added, what we added, that should be clear. Okay. Now this second question is for all of you. What new we learned in this? What new we did in this? Yes, Sushil Chaudhary. Yeah.
We learned
What new? Yes,
We learn multiplication through adding.
Okay. वो तो हमने पहले भी सीखा हुआ है. 2 into 3.
Faster. We can multiply faster. Yeah, before.
ये तो कंक्लूजन है ना. मैंने ये पूछा हमने सीखा क्या? आप कंक्लूजन दे रहे हो कि हमने फास्टर सीखा. I'm asking you what new we learned.
आज हमने एडिशन सीखा.
नहीं, हमने एडिशन नहीं दिव्या किया. और
We learn technique.
और बोलिए. यस ऋषभ, सम्यन, मनोज, संजू, सुशील, दिव्या, रचना, जोजी.
So we learned new method to multiply, not the older one.
No.
New technique of multiplication.
No.
Sir, we see the
multiplication.
No.
Short technique. Simple.
Sir, we see the other part of coin.
ये कोई बात नहीं है. ये फिलॉसफी की क्लास नहीं चल रही सर.
We learn
आप फिलॉसफी मत मारो यार. मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? Make it very simple so that every student can understand.
Trick, sir. Trick.
Yeah, नहीं.
We learn multiplication of different number by 11.
वो ये तो कोई बड़ी बात. ये बड़ी बात नहीं थी सर. आज आपने जिंदगी में पहली बार लेफ्ट से राइट कैलकुलेशन किया था आपने.
Oh,
Did you ever try it? Okay. Now this is a question for 1 2 3 4 5. You are doing this 1 3 5 7 9 5. Go the reverse way. Just try yourself. Right to left, which you have been doing since whatever is your age minus 4 years 5 years. First class से आप left to left कर रहे हैं maths. पहली बार आज लाइफ में आपने लेफ्ट टू राइट किया. आज पुराना मेथड अप्लाई करके देखें. Which is faster, left to right or right to left?
Left to right.
Left to right.
Left to right.
But आपने तो किया अभी तक. You never tried it. And math teachers had this answer. Sir, that is a unit place. That is tens place. Therefore, we start from unit place.
Right to left.
So this is just one simple example to show you, to prove you that left to right calculation is much, much faster. And both the ways it is possible. That is also one concept clear. Vedic maths will always give you so many options to perform. If I define now Vedic maths, it is a journey of transformation from fear of mathematics to confidence in mathematics. Why it is required for the students? Why it is must for the students? Because it helps to attain a feeling. Yes, I can. Once you have this feeling in your life, yes, I can. Is anything difficult in life? अगर आपके अंदर ये विश्वास आ जाए, ये कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाए, yes, I can do this. कोई रोक सकता है आपको? Yes, कोई रोक सकता है आपको?
No.
No.
बच्चों को ये कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाए तो क्या उन्हें कोई रोक सकता है? मैथ्स क्या और हिस्ट्री क्या और कोई सब्जेक्ट आ जाए, there is nothing to stop. Third important thing, it gives you ability to think. सोचने की शक्ति देता है. देखो कितने तरह से आप क्वेश्चंस कर सकते हो. I'll give you one now examples. Now the topic was multiplication with 11 and its multiples. Okay, now let's come to the multiples part. First question is, let's say 67 into 22. What is the answer? Or let me give you a more simple. 1 into 22. Whatever you want to solve, you can solve. Yes, Neelam, Divya, Basanta, yeah, Manoj.
1474, sir.
1474. 67
Okay.
into 22.
Sir, first we multiply by 67 into 2 and then by using 11.
Okay, great. Yes, Basanta sir, what about you? Are still following the old method? Now just try to think this way. Visualize. I said visualization.
22.
अच्छा एक बात बताइए, as a teacher,
Sir, 22 is nothing.
Yes, thank you, Manoj एक मिनट. You all are teachers. जब आप पेपर लेते हैं बच्चे का, अब हर क्वेश्चन तो आपने नहीं कराया ना, तो आप ये सोचिए मैंने 22 आपको कराया ही नहीं, तो मैं ऐसे तो नहीं दूंगा. So अगर आप विजुलाइज करते हैं, what is 22? It is nothing but 2 into 11. Correct? So what is that? 67 into 2 into 11. What is 67 into 2? 1, 3, 4 into 11. What is this? 1, 4, 7, 4. Finish.
Yes.
Yeah. अब पर एक चीज और आएगी. कुछ लोग ये भी कहेंगे कि 67 into 11 into 2 भी तो हो सकता है. 7, 3, 7 into 2. So that means 1, 4, 7, 4. Both are possible. No, which is correct? Which is more appropriate? A or B? Yes, Basanta sir. सोच सकते हैं आप? And think. Divya, Neelam. Neelam.
A is easier.
I think A.
It's easier.
Why?
A, because we have to multiply the less number by 2, no?
Okay.
In next step we have to multiply 737 by 2 is a large number. This
Okay.
small number.
Now,
because we learn how to multiply 11.
yes, that is the answer. That is the answer. See, every time you will not get 22. Maybe you get 99. So in that
Just
case,
9 first.
so multiplying 9 with 67 is much easier. Rather, multiplying 737 into 9.
Yeah.
That means now we just learned with 11. 11 is such a number with which you can multiply any digit. So keep, whenever you are multiplying with multiples of 11, means 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99.
Anyone who can do it.
Always first multiply with the multiplier and last apply multiplication with 11. So that your calculation is also easy and you are able to calculate in less time, less steps, or mentally also. 22 can be multiplied mentally also. For example, the same 1, 4, 1 into 22. So what? Where 2 into 11, 3, 1, 0, 2.
Yes.
Got it? So this is what is required. Always multiply the multiplier first and then 11. Any question, any doubt?
No question, no doubt.
Yes, Rishabh, Samyan, Manoj, Sanju, Sushil. See, please, this is...
No, sir. It's being easy. Yeah.
No, sir.
Okay.
No doubt, sir.
Okay.
Let us try one question.
Yes, you try. Okay, I'll give you one question first. 281 into 33. Please try.
9
9 to
to
7 3.
7 3.
Yes, everybody did it.
9
9 to 7 3. Yeah.
9 to
9
7 3.
7 3.
Very good. So who is faster? You or calculators?
We are.
Please have confidence today. From today onwards, make this resolution. We will try. I'll tell you what will happen otherwise. How many phone numbers you remember now? Yes, Basanta, Neelam, Priya, Devya. कितने phone numbers याद हैं आज?
सर पहले तो सारे फोन नंबर याद थे, लेकिन अभी तो गिने चुने याद है, लेकिन याद है।
समझ आ गई बात ना मेरी? अब जब से मोबाइल आया है हमारे को,
हम लोग ने मोबाइल यूज करना सेव करने लग गए, हम डिपेंडेंट हो गए।
ठीक है, जब आपको इतना पता है तो सेम कैलकुलेटर क्यों पे डिपेंडेंट हो रहे हो, या खुद हो रहे हो या बच्चों को अलाउ कर रहे हो? सी in particularly now I'll talk about the context of Nepal. Why students are not able to have that confidence or motivation? I have trained in number of schools. I have trained in Sainik school. I have trained in university, Tribhuvan University. Everywhere I found one single problem. Maths is the biggest fear. Why that is fear? Because they never took that opportunity. भाई आप उनको प्रैक्टिस करने ही नहीं देते, आप उन्हें कैलकुलेटर पकड़ा देते हो, अलाउ कर देते हो 8th क्लास में, एग्जाम में भी। अगर मैथ्स का एग्जाम में कैलकुलेटर अलाउ कर दिया तो एग्जाम ले क्यों रहे हैं आप? यस बसंता सर, मेरी बात समझ आई? जब हमने एग्जाम में कैलकुलेटर ही देना है तो हम एग्जाम किस बात का ले रहे हैं कि कितना फास्ट कोई करेगा कैलकुलेटर से, या कौन सबसे महंगा कैलकुलेटर लाके करेगा?
We allow in the only grade 9 and 10, not in other
9
grades.
and 10 की बात कर लेते हैं सर।
No, what actually we are using in our school, I am telling this one.
But overall situation, and this is only Nepal which is allowed in examination, otherwise no country. Now
The
why
optional mathematics, we have to find the angle, no, sin 30 or this.
that is not required in 9th and 10th, sir. For simple calculations also, when we'll move to the second topic, I'll show you. Okay. Now, so that is my example. Since we have been using the mobile phones, we are not able to remember the phone numbers, correct? Because we have programmed our brains in such a way, all my contacts are in my mobile. So why should I remember? This we have programmed to our brains. Sometimes it happens we don't remember our home number also. Right. And earlier when we were not having mobile phones, when the time we were having dial-up phones, the landline phones, at that time we used to remember hundreds of numbers because the option nahi tha. Option was only writing in the address book manually or remembering. So we used to remember. The point is, the more you'll use your brain, the more you'll be able to store in that. Otherwise, nothing. The same situation will arise if we continuously use the calculator or if the students are continuously using it. Okay. Moving further, now, Mr. Basanta, solve this question. 576 into 121. How will you solve? Yes, Neelam? Yes, please. Can you repeat?
Yeah, 11 into 11.
11 first, and then we can do it.
What
8, 3,
answer you
3, 6.
So, 5. So, actually,
6, 9, 6, 9, 6.
Sir,
69696.
should I show you the recording earlier? What you said for this question? What was your answer half an hour before? What was your answer half an hour before? You said, we'll write 576, we'll write 121, and we'll start doing. Correct?
Yeah.
What happened now? What happened now?
It's so easy.
Now you visualized. This is
Yes.
known as visualization. To visualize that this is 121, which is reason it is related to 11. And you concluded, yes, logic applied and done. This is known as VRL. If within half an hour or 1 hour of session, this improved. So just think, if you do this subject 15 minutes a day, where you will reach one day. Yes, all of you agree on that?
Yes.
So all of you experience that thing. Yes, your mind changed entirely. Okay. Now this was 2 digits only, 11. We started with 12 into 11. Then we did 123 into 11. Then we did 1, 2, 3, 4 into 11. Then we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11. Why is this fixed? Can we do 123 or 12 into 111 into 111? Yes, we will do now. 1, 2, 3 into 111. Anyone can give me a hint? Yes, Divya, Basanta sir.
Yes, sir, I'm trying.
Yeah, tell me, this is good. Now, you know why you are finding difficult? Do I tell you the reason?
No, sir.
Because nobody asked me, when I was doing this, nobody asked me, sir, why you are adding 1 plus 2? Why not 1 plus 2 plus 3? Did anybody ask this question? Or why I was not adding 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? This is where the problem arises. Yes, Neelam? Why didn't you not ask such questions? जब हम पूछेंगे नहीं तो हमें आएगा कैसे? सच्ची है ना? तो फिर पूछेगा कौन?
पूछेंगे सर।
पता क्या है? हम as a teacher ये सोचते हैं we should not ask, somebody will think, what will other person think? अरे we all are here to learn, nobody will think anything about you. Don't worry. But if you'll not ask today, students will not leave you. They will ask you every question because students have a mentality that they don't keep quiet. If they are not able to understand, they'll ask you each and every point. So I'll give you the reason. See, when we were doing 11, now there are 2 ones. So the maximum was pairing. So what we were doing in 123 was 1, then 1 plus 2. Now this is the maximum because only 2 digits are there. Therefore, we shifted further and that became 2 plus 3. And the last again 3. So basic our movement was from left to right. Now in this particular case, 1, correct. Then 1 plus 2. But now I have 3 ones. 1 plus 2 plus 3. I can go for this also. Then 2 plus 3. And then last 1, 3. Is it clear now? So this was the point. So that means if you would have asked me this query earlier, why we were doing, you would have never got a trouble in this. Other way you can write like this: 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. So 1, 3, okay. 1, 3, 6, 5, 3. Clear? Or anyone has doubt?
No,
सर
sir.
अगर आगे का डिजिट 2 हो और 111 से इंटू करे तो कैसे? यही सेम मेथड है।
क्वेश्चन बोलिए।
आगे का 2 डिजिट हो और इंटू 111 तो भी सेम मेथड रहेगा।
अभी करेंगे, अभी करेंगे। आप चलो मैं बताइए, अब आपने पूछ लिया, आगे पूछेंगे तो है नहीं। 3, 2 into 111, ये क्वेश्चन है आपका?
सर
राइट, दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन?
यस सर।
कैन आई नॉट मेक दिस 3 digit? अब हो गया?
ओके ओके।
0, 0 plus 3, 0 plus 3 plus 5. then 3 plus 2, then 2. So the answer is 3552. I should balance. I can do this way also, but then I'll get confused somewhere. Adding 0 will never confuse me.
Clear, sir.
0, 0, 3, 0, 3, 2, then 3, 2, and 2. Finish. So either left or 0 will always disappear. Yes, Basanta, any questions you have? Anyone? Before I give the questions, anyone has any question?
No, sir. Let's practice.
Chalo, let's practice then. I'll give 2 questions. 214 into 111. Solve this. 264 into 111. Solve. I'll be back within 1 week.
Two, 3, 7, 5, 4.
23754. First one.
29304. Second one 29304. And पहिला को कति थियो? Let me.
Second one 29304. First one 23754.
754,
29304. 29. Yeah. Second one 29304. First one 23754.
So first is very simple.
293. Second, first one is 237.
So 237.
3754.
Oh, finish. Right. This one 2.
Okay.
Then
And second one is 293.
That means
034.
29034.
And this
29304.
29304.
So now all of you are confident you all can do easily. The maths is very easy. The only thing you should have that confidence. Yes, I can do. So that feeling I can do is very important. 476 into 111.
476. 4. No, 5.
52836. 52836.
Very good. Okay, triple 9 into 1111. 111.
111. No.
1098889.
1
1098889.
No.
110889.
1098889.
It is 1108.
110889. Yeah. Sorry, carry 2.
Actually, we have one different method also for this. When there are number of 9s are there, so there is very easy method. Whatever is the number less 1, 110. So whatever is the answer, subtract from this 889. There are so many important concepts in Vedic maths. We will learn shortly. Okay. 4, 1, 2, 6 into 111.
4.
2. plus 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 plus 6.
4, 5, 8, 3, 9, 8, 6.
9, 1, 6, 9, 5, 4, 5.
4, 5, 4, 5, 8, 3, 9, 8, 6.
So how do we do this? First thing is 4, then 4, 1, then 4, 1, 2. Now this is maximum limit. What after that? We shift 1, 2, 6, then 2, 6, then 6. So 4, 5, 9, 9, 8, 6. Did you get this answer, Sushil?
Yes, sir.
Anyone have doubt?
Yes, sir.
So a bit first time it happens, we think, what should we do now? It is always you move from left to right and you will get the answers. Correct? Okay.
सर अगर ये मेथड ऐसे है तो यस सर, क्योंकि हमारा 3 डिजिट 111 है, इसीलिए हम लोग ने 3 मैक्सिमम 3 को प्लस किया. अगर 4 डिजिट होता तो मैक्सिमम हम 4 तक प्लस करेंगे, राइट?
वो अभी करेंगे, वो भी एक सबके एग्जांपल लेंगे so that all your thoughts are clear. And then again, but
4, 5, 7, 9, 9, 9.
Sorry, come in.
4, 5, 7, 9, I think so. There.
Sorry.
8, 7.
Right. Okay.
Yes, sir.
4, 5,
Yes.
7, 9, 8, 6.
Yes. Right.
8,
8, 3, 7, 6 into 1. That is, I am giving you all the possibilities first.
6 into 11, 11. 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8 plus 3. 180. 3 plus 8, 8 plus 3 plus 9, I think. Only here. 3 plus 3 plus 7 plus 6. 7 plus 2. 6, 0.
What happened? So slow.
4, 2, 5, 9, 7, 1, 6.
इतना स्लो
4,
नहीं
2, 5, 9, 7, 1, 6.
हमें इतना स्लो नहीं है ना.
4, 2, 5, 9, 7, 3, 6. Sorry.
Okay. Everybody got it?
Yes.
Okay, one more.
3, 5, 9, 7, 3, 6.
Yes, 7, 3, 6.
Okay.
4, 2, 5, 9, 7,
7, 3,
3,
6.
6.
Okay.
3, 6.
Oh.
Repeated addition.
So 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 into 111.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 9 plus 9, 9 plus 9 plus 9. Very you 9 the joy you 9 the joy with 9 die within the 9 die plus 9 plus 9.
9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9.
5 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9.
9, 9, 9, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0,
9,
9, 9, 10.
Then 27. First 27, then 27, then 27, and then 27. So 4 times you have to write that. Then 18, then 9. Finish. 9, 8, 8, 9, 9, 9. 20 means 0. 2 goes here, 11.
100 and 99979.
Everything I guess. So it's not
100 99979.
the 7 कैसे आएगा सर? 4 times 9 आएगा 4 because ये वाला भी 9 हो जाएगा ना. Sorry. ये 8 ही रहेगा. ठीक है.
Got the point. Lo.
Yeah.
Last one 9. Okay. और वो नंबर भी नहीं ऐसे थे. 110999.
Samyan, are you getting beta? Samyan, Rishiv, Josie, Rachna.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting any doubts?
I'm little bit confused with 3 digits.
But so who will ask on your side? I asked number of times. Now we have.
No, the more big number it came, the more confused I became.
Why?
Then I forgot.
Nahi, don't get confused. Okay, tell me the number. Tell me what number you get confused. So, when will you ask? My question is, when will you ask your doubts?
I was going to ask, but when you added more numbers, then more confused I get. Then I forgot when I was confused.
See, you should have asked, no, sir, I want to ask the same. See, I am again, why am I? See, I want you to get confused also, so that you come out of that struggle. See, today is just a learning stage. The more you will be put into the struggles, more you'll be learning. Okay, what is the question? What you want to ask? Understand? Give me any question.
So I understand any numbers add multiplication with 11, but after that, when you did 3 1, what I mean to say is that when you did
you don't know 3 ones, okay?
Yes.
Last time I'm doing. See, now I'll compare 1 2 3 into 11 and 1 2 3 into 111. Is it fine? I'll give you a comparison. Now, what does this mean? 2 ones here, 3 ones. So 2 ones says maximum combination would be is 2 digits. This shows 3 digits combination. Now, what is combination? First digit as it is. First combination is 1 plus 2. Then
3.
Maximum. Now, maximum is 2 digits, so I cannot add 3 to it. So I'll shift. Na? So that's why I added 2 plus 3. And the last I put 3. But here, first, then 1 plus 2. Now, I can add one more to it. Now the digits have been finished. So started decreasing. This is the only difference.
Oh, it's a symbol.
Got it?
Yes, sir, I got it.
You take the screenshot of this example and you'll never go.
Okay, sir. Let me check.
Sir, I have one question.
Yes, please come.
जो 999999 into 111 जो है 3 times तक ये 27 27 27 वो सेम 4 बार मेरे मतलब मैं करी तो भी उसमें कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं हुआ, लेकिन जहां प्लस करके 11099 जो आंसर आ रहा है वो मेरे प्लस करने पे पता नहीं कहाँ मैं कंफ्यूज हो रही हूँ, मैं उसको नहीं क्रॉस कर पा रही हूँ।
वो इसलिए नहीं कर पा रहे ना, अभी आप देखो ये लो, फर्स्ट 9 यहाँ ठीक है।
यस सर। 1827
ठीक है, यहाँ भी ठीक है, ये आ गया 4 बार क्योंकि फर्स्ट ये आया 19 18 फिर 20 का यहाँ तक हो गया। उसके बाद सेकंड पेयर ये आ गया, उसके बाद ये आ गया 3, ठीक है, उसके बाद ये लास्ट 27, ठीक है।
यहाँ तक क्लियर हूँ, फिर 18 हुआ 9 हुआ वो भी क्लियर हूँ, जो आंसर है
वो मैं वही बता रहा हूँ। अब 1 इधर जाएगा, इससे ज्यादा पहले आपको यही पता है, बट इससे साथ भी आपने ऑब्जर्व करना है कि क्या ये 18 का ही एज जाएगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 2 जाने हैं, इसीलिए हम ऐसे लिख लेते हैं ताकि हमें कंफ्यूजन ना हो। तो बेसिकली ये 20 बन रहा है, 18 + 2, सो 2 जाना है वहां। अगर वहां 2 जाना है तो 9 + 2 इज 11, तो लास्ट में 11 हो गया, और 18 + 2 20 बना था तो 0 रह गया ना बीच में।
ओके,
तो यहाँ पे रह गया 0, यहाँ बन गया 11, और यहाँ 7 + 2 9, यहाँ 7 + 2 9, यहाँ 7 + 2 9, यहाँ 7 + 1 8, और यहाँ तो 8 है ही है।
एग्जैक्टली, क्योंकि मैं वैसे कर रही थी तो वो 0 की जगह मुझे 7 आना चाहिए, जो भी मेरा कंफ्यूजन वहां होके, तो मुझे इसमें प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा।
देखो प्रैक्टिस, अरे भाई इतना ही बहुत है। अभी हमने किया कितना, 1 घंटे में देखो पूरी लाइफ आपने मैथ्स सीखा है, मैथ्स पढ़ाया है, हम इतना फास्ट तो कभी भी नहीं थे। तो मैंने व्हाट आई सेड 15 मिनट्स अ डे फॉर 15 डेज, दैट्स ऑल। धीरे धीरे दिमाग में बैठना चला जाएगा, ठीक है। ये जान के मैंने टफ क्वेश्चंस दिए हैं। देखो द पर्पस इज नॉट टू embarrass or the purpose is to put you into very tough conditions. अगर उससे बाहर आप आ जाते हो, so that means your understanding is going well. तो 2 चीजें हैं, या तो प्रैक्टिस करेंगे और बिल्कुल क्लियर हो जाएंगे, और या हम कहेंगे नहीं हमें समझ आ ही गया, तो भी हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो कि
Exactly, sir.
Interesting. It's very really interesting. When you'll start practicing for 15 minutes, you'll understand. Correct. Now, similarly, I want to increase the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 into 4 times. So क्या होगा? Again, now 4 combinations हो जाएंगे. 1,
1,
2,
1 + 2, 1 + 2 3, 1 + 2 3 4, 2 3 4, 3 4 and 4.
बताओ क्या मुश्किल रह गया? हमने कभी सोचा ही नहीं था इस एंगल से। अब अगर ये देखें 4 7 कितना हुआ 9, ये 10 हो जाएगा, 6 और 4 10, 0 1 फर्दर गया तो 6 और 1 7 7। both ways you should understand, both ways you should learn. अगर शुरू में हमें ये दिक्कत आती है कि कैरी ओवर करना सब नहीं हो रहा, तो लेफ्ट राइट से चले जाओ, वो भी कर सकते हैं।
Okay. 999 में अगर एक बार क्लियर होना है तो मैं राइट से लेफ्ट जा सकती हूँ, प्लस और कैरी फॉरवर्ड भी।
कैसे भी, ठीक है ना, गलत तो नहीं करना ना। अगर हमें शुरू में राइट से भी हो रहा है, स्पीड थोड़ा कम है, कोई बात नहीं। कंसेप्ट क्लियर होने के बाद आप देखेंगे कि लेफ्ट से आपका फास्ट हो जाएगा। पहले कंसेप्ट अपना क्लियर कर लीजिए। यस दिव्या, सुशील, बसंता, एनी डाउट नाउ, एनी क्वेश्चंस यू हैव?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So that means, अच्छा अगेन इट इज नॉट कि 1 2 1 1 से ही हुआ। अगर यहाँ पे 7 कर दूं तो भी होगा ना, पहले 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करो,
7 से मल्टीप्लाई करो।
So that means we can work with 11, we can work with 22, 33, 44, 99 तक, 121 भी, even simply 111, 22, 333, 999, similarly 1114, 9 times 4, anything. So then you can do such calculations fast. So what is, and now somebody would say, okay, sir, only with 11. No. See, this is the first class. I will not teach you something which for what you have pre-requirements. With 11, you don't need any pre-requirements. Even for Vedic maths, you don't need basically. If somebody asks you, any mother, any parent, any child asks you, what should I know before learning Vedic mathematics? So you should know only two things. One is tables up till 8. If 9, very good. Otherwise 8. And single digit addition. Now, single digit addition, you should not get confused. 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 is that is 36. Because 9 into 4 is 36. So that you should be very clear. 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6. What is that? That you should be very clear. So single digit addition aana bahut zaruri hai. And tables up till 9. If you know these two things, Vedic maths is as simple as A, B, C. But definitely we have learned mathematics in steps. Class 1, we started with addition. Class 2, we did subtraction. Class 3, multiplication and tables. Similarly, यहाँ पे कम से कम हमें 2 दिन तो देने पड़ेंगे सबको. Right? Not 1 year, but at least 2 days a year. Right? Any doubt, any questions you have? Now we can solve anything regarding to multiplications of 11. Yes. Anyone has any query, please ask. And after this class, I'll be sharing with you the homework. So please share your WhatsApp number because I don't have for all. And the homework you're not doing for me, you will be doing for yourself. The more you'll do practice, the more understanding will be. Right. Okay. So this was the yes, Divya, please tell me. Divya, you have raised hand, please. Go ahead.
No, sir, I just want to share my number, so I raise my hand.
Okay.
I will send in my messenger, sir.
Okay, ma'am. So now multiplication, what we did. So the format is left side digit, add the digits, and right hand side digits. See, 37 into 11, 3 plus 7, adding the digits and 11. Correct. So, okay, not even homework, you'll be getting notes also. So I'll be sharing you one Facebook group. In that, in the announcement section, you can download the notes because notes would be with you forever, so that anytime you find any difficulty or you want to take any reference, you can take it from there. Correct. Otherwise, my books are available in hard copy on Amazon, on Google, everywhere. Right. Okay. 267, we did some other examples. So many examples. 141 into 21, we did. 576 into 121, we did. So that was fine. This is done. This is done. So we were actually adding corresponding digits and were not multiplying. This was the first observation. And the second thing, we were calculating from left to right, rather right to left. Correct? So this was just one advantage of Vedic mathematics. That is, our speed increases 10 to 15 times faster. How many of you think your calculation speed increased now? Yes, Basanta sir, Sushil, calculation speed बढ़ी या नहीं बढ़ी? Yes.
Only 11 or multiplies.
See, that first day I told you. Now I cannot give you even triple. I can tell you everything, but how will you experience? Because for everything you need to practice, na? So just for 11 only, let's talk about 11 only. 11 में बड़ी के नहीं बड़ी?
100%, sir.
Great.
Sir.
Okay. Now, what is the biggest fear in mathematics in any child? Yes. What is the biggest fear factor of mathematics?
Using tables.
Using tables, yes.
Yeah.
Because we run away from tables. Okay, I have a question for everyone. Let's see what are your answers. Please answer it. See, I don't worry. Basanta sir told me na ki I'll be solving this way. And later when he solved in the other way, he enjoyed. See, this is what you'll experience. If you will not answer, you will not experience that positivity in your minds. You'll not experience that joy feeling in yourself. So be into the workshop 100%. Okay. So how much time you need to write a table of 89? Sushil Chaudhary. Everyone, please answer on your chat box. How much time you need to write a table of 89?
89. Oh my God, it takes time, sir.
How much time, sir? 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 6 minutes, 8 minutes? Please write on the
5
chat
minutes.
box.
I think it will take.
Yes, Sarita, it will take. I have not received any answer, so that means everybody can do it faster. Or don't want to answer. 10 to 15 minutes, only 1, 2 to 3 minutes, Manoj. Samyan, 15 minutes. 3 answers.
Minimum 3 to 5 minutes, sir.
Okay, write down, please. Let's see how many are, because we have 16 people. So I have received answer of only 3, 2, 3. Rest others? Yes, Basanta sir. Sushil Chaudhary, 3 to 5, great. 1 to 5, Divya, okay, 10. Divya, let me tell you one thing, 1 to 5 is a big difference. 20% to 100%, how is it possible? So it should have been 4 to 5 or 1 to 2. Rishabh, 8 to 10 minutes, Sheila, yes, Neelam, 5 minutes. Others? If others are not there, why you are attending just for the present? Huh? Or just to, because the people who are not answering, I can understand they are from Reliance School. So I'll ask her, no problem, don't worry. Josie, yes, others, who is left? Should I say the names? Rachna Rai, still some are left. So who is left? Then I'll give you a magical number. How many minutes? More than 5 minutes, okay? Okay, if I say you all can write in 10 seconds, then will you believe?
Yes,
Yes,
obviously
you
not.
can write in 10 seconds. Will you believe or yes or no? Tell me yes or no.
No, I think yes, by your formula. Using your
It
formula.
seems like magic to solve in 10 seconds.
You will not take even 10 seconds. 10 seconds is the big thing. See, this is why Vedic maths is required to generate that, to bring back that confidence. Yes, we can do. Actually, what has happened? We all know. See, every one of you are teacher, you can write it. But what happens? You get bored writing that, adding again and again. So that's why you don't want to write. And this is the reason you say 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 4 minutes, because we never tried on also. Correct? And to bring that confidence, Vedic maths plays a very important role. When it says 10 seconds, everybody gets excited. Wow. And that makes a difference. And students find it very comfortable, very easy to do it. Okay. So target is 10 seconds, remember. You can have your clock on. We will see. Now, there are two methods, there are two techniques we'll be learning about tables. One important thing is first we'll go for tables of numbers ending with 9. So what are the numbers ending with 9? 9, 19, 29, 39. 49,
49,
59,
59,
89 is our target,
16.
correct? 119 or 1009 or anything. The only purpose is, the only condition is it should end with 9. That means unit place should have 9. Correct? Second, any general table, any number, it could be a 2-digit, it could be a 3-digit, it could be a 4-digit, it could be 5-digit or whatsoever. So we learn both these techniques today. Correct? Now, how do we learn tables? Or how do we write tables? Chalo, that we'll discuss on the second part. So first we'll understand writing the tables ending with 9. Correct? What is this? What is this?
Tic-tac-toe.
Game.
Yes, everybody knows.
Yeah.
Will not play. Will not play.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we'll start from the rightmost corner, move towards the middle, come towards the top. This is how we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Clear? Can we write?
Yes, sir.
Please write down. Please draw it on your books, notebooks. And once done, please let me know.
It's done, sir.
It's done. Very good. Yes, everyone. Now, the first table, let's write it off for table of 19. Now, okay, I'll see, we will apply the first sutra, the first formula in this table concept. And that formula is known as Ikadhikena. Ikadhikena Purvena. If you are finding it difficult to pronounce, no problem. Ek adhik ena purvena. एक अधिक का मतलब पता है हिंदी में? नीलम,
एक से ज्यादा, एक अधिक,
यानी एक ज्यादा, +1. So purvena means then the previous. So the mathematical meaning becomes add 1 to the previous. Correct? Now we will apply this sutra on the numbers ending with 9. So whatever is 9, whatever is the number before 9. Now here it is 1. Apply Ekadhikena on 1. So this new number becomes 2. Clear?
Yes.
If my question was table of 79, so this will become 8. My number is 119, so this will become 12. If my number is 1009, so this will become 101. Up till here, any doubt? Any questions you have?
No,
Still
sir.
not.
Good. So first thing you do is complete this. Since I'm writing a table of 19, I'll do this 19. Now I applied Ekadhikena on this and I got a new number 2. This is a new number I got. I just have to add this 2 to this 1. That's all. So 1 plus 2 is 1 plus 2. Please.
3.
Again 3 plus 2.
4.
4.
5.
3 plus 5.
5.
Somebody said 4 also. I'll go the reverse way. Now here, then here. 5 plus 2.
7.
7 plus 2.
9.
9 plus 2.
11.
11 plus 2.
11.
13.
13.
Plus 2.
13,
15.
15 plus 2.
15,
17.
And 17 plus 2 is 19. So 19 matches. That means I'm correct. What is this? What is this? Table of 19. 19
19.
19 2 38, 19 3 57, 19 4 76, 19 5 95, 19 6 114, 19 7 133, 19 8 152, 171, and 190. How many seconds we took? One more example I'll give you. Then I'll ask you this question. If I want to write table of 39, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 39, 3, what new number have to be added? 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. 19 plus 23, 27, 31, 35, and 39. How many seconds? 6 seconds only. And what is this? The table of 39. 39 was the 39, 2 the 78, 3 the 117, 4 the 156, 6 195, 7 1 234, 273, 312, 351, and 390. Is it difficult now?
No.
Yes, anyone who could not understand? Anyone who could not understand? Anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
मतलब नहीं समझ आया या समझ आया?
समझ आया सर, समझ आया.
Understood, sir.
अगर समझ आया तो let's write down for 29, please. Do it.
3 2 1 6 5 4 7 8 9 29. 2 plus 2 plus 1 3 3 plus 3 plus 3. 2 5 7.
29.
Done? Done or not?
48.
No. 1 2.
Plus 3 सब में ऐड करना है सर.
29.
Done, sir.
4 3 7 75.
Done. Done.
How many seconds it took?
30 seconds.
चलो कोई बात नहीं. You'll improve.
Yes, done, sir.
Okay. Now we gave the target of 10 seconds in that. So let's see that 1 2 3 5 6 7 8 9 89 is adding 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 9 26 35 44 53 62 71 80 89. Done. How many seconds?
10 seconds.
Okay, so Neelam told me earlier. How many seconds you said?
5. 3 to 5.
3 to 5 minutes you told, not seconds, please.
Yes, sir. 3 to 5 minutes.
You told 600 seconds and we are able to do 60 times faster.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Manoj.
17 plus 9.
Manoj, हो गया? कितना मिनट बोले? 3
हाँ
मिनट.
सर, yes sir, complete sir.
3 मिनट.
Sir, actually, I have no. Yes, sir. I have no practice, but I do this sum with the vinculum. That is 91 ऊपर. आपका मेथड मैंने यूज करता हूँ मैं, और जो ऑसिलेटर होता है
Manoj, I explained you that day also. Vinculum is to be taught when you have teachers and when they have understood the basics of Vedic mathematics. When it is a fresh workshop, that means people who don't have anything clear about Vedic mathematics, to them you cannot talk about Vinculum numbers because we have not explained what is Vinculum.
Yes, sir.
So
But मैंने आपसे ही सीखा था सर. ये थी मेथड जो है मैंने आपसे सीखा है.
Divya, how much time?
Sorry, sir, I couldn't take the time. I cannot see the time.
Approximately, ma'am. Second. Rishabh, Rishabh, you gave 10 minutes. Yes, Rishabh, at least 30 seconds में तो हो गया ना, Rishabh?
25.
Good, yeah. See, you have no got practice. Still, if you are able to do so you can do better. Yes, Basant sir. What about you?
It's okay. So easy.
So easy, and we never thought about it. Okay, so now please do I'll give you the most easiest one, which you think difficult, 99. Please do it 99 first and calculate your time only. Write down the table of 99.
Done, sir.
Very good. Now, you only think how many seconds you did.
36.
So feeling that positivity in yourself, feeling that confidence or not?
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir.
That is what is required. See, आपका मन जब अच्छा होगा, जब आपको खुशी मिलेगी कोई काम करते हुए, तो वो आप काम दोबारा करेंगे ना. अभी मैं आपको एक और टेबल दूं, आप फिर करेंगे क्योंकि आपको अच्छा लग रहा है. सो अगर बच्चों को यही इंटरेस्ट जाग गया, यही खुशी मिलने लग जाए काम करने में, so they will do repeat it again or not?
Yes, of course.
अभी वो मैथ
They
से
will love
भागते
it.
हैं. That's what. So you have to make the interest in the subject, and Vedic maths is very good solution for it. Correct? Yes, everyone has done. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
one more. Let me go for 119 also. Because we should understand it's not possible only 2 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what happened? Now 11 plus 12. So what is 11 plus 12? 23. 23 plus 12? 35. 35 plus 12? 47. 47 plus 5? 12. 59. 59 plus 12 is 71. 83. 95. 107. Yes. कुछ कहा किसी ने? Done.
446, I think. 46.
Which one?
35 plus 11.
Why 11? Why 11?
It's a 12. No, I forgot. Okay, 12.
Correct. So we have to add that new number. And that comes from Ekadikena Sutra. Applying Ekadikena Sutra on the numbers before 9. Done?
जैसे ये वाला आपने पहले भी एक क्लास मतलब एक छोटे से हमारे कन्वर्सेशन के दौरान आया था, लेकिन हमें याद नहीं रहता. तो सूत्रा के साथ रखेंगे तो शायद याद रहेगा हमेशा.
याद इसलिए नहीं रहता क्योंकि हमने प्रैक्टिस नहीं की और कहीं भी नोटबुक्स बुक्स में नहीं है. अभी जो मैं अगला बताने लगा हूं, आप उसमें भी देखना, हम बहुत सिंपल करेंगे. See, Vedic maths tough नहीं है, confusing नहीं है. It's very simple thing. But the point is, जैसे अभी मनोज जी ने बोला, that was correct. Our system was spoiled. Vedic, अच्छा आप याद करो गुरुकुल में, देखो याद क्या करेंगे, आप इतने पुराने तो नहीं है हम लोग, पर हम लोगों ने पढ़ा.
पहले गुरुकुल में नोट लिखवाते ही नहीं थे, जो सर बोलते थे बच्चे सारे याद रखते थे. एंड इवन बुद्धिज्म में भी उनके राइट हैंड ने जो 500 साल मतलब 500 लोगों के बीच में बुद्धा के एक एक सूत्र को उसने सिर्फ जबानी याद करके लिखवाया.
इसका मतलब we used to use our brains. ब्रेन में बहुत ताकत है, ये तो हम यूज नहीं करते. इतनी स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी है जितनी आपकी 10,000 ड्राइव्स में ना. So the more we will use, more we will learn or we'll remember. और उसका एग्जाम्पल बहुत अच्छा सबके सामने है. उसके बाद भी हम नहीं सचेत हुए तो फिर कौन गलत है? You know,
पता है सर, कहीं ना हमारे अंदर ये हो गया है, जैसे अभी मैंने करने के दौरान जो मैंने महसूस किया, हम नहीं कर सकते. वो ब्रेन हमें बार बार अलर्ट कर रहा है कि हम नहीं कर सकते, जबकि सिर्फ सिंपल प्लस कर रही हूँ तो बार बार माइंड डाइवर्ट, नहीं मैं रॉन्ग हूँ शायद, एक बार कैलकुलेटर देख लेती हूँ.
कोई बात नहीं, वो तो देखो कैलकुलेटर पे हम डिपेंडेंट इतने सालों से हो गए ना. देखो, लेट्स से योर एज इज 30, लेट्स से, सो यू हैव बीन डूइंग फॉर 30 इयर्स, और आज 30 मिनट्स और 2 आवर्स में क्या एकदम चेंज हो जाएगा?
एग्जैक्टली, ब्रेन को वापस ट्रेन करने में टाइम लग जाता है, लेकिन हमें ट्रेन करना पड़ेगा. इसी
इसका बेनिफिट होगा. आई टोल्ड यू, क्योंकि मैंने जो VRL बताया, इट इज अ लाइफ चेंजिंग प्रोसेस. धीरे धीरे आप हर चीज में, जैसे अभी सर ने किया, आपके सामने एग्जांपल था सर का, कि मैंने सर सबसे पहले पूछा 576 into 121, उन्होंने अलग तरीके से बताया. कुछ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के बाद पूछा तो उन्होंने अलग तरीके से. दैट मीन्स ही रियलाइज्ड, ही विजुअलाइज्ड. तो होगा क्या, आपकी लाइफ में कोई भी सिचुएशन आती है, यू विल विजुअलाइज दैट सिचुएशन, and once you start visualizing the situations in your life will become better only. Got it? So this is the way to progress in your life. Okay, now everybody clear, or still anyone has a doubt? Please ask. Okay, now we'll go for the second method for any general case, and that is more simple. But before going that, how much time you need to write now a table of 87? I want to answer from again everybody, so that we can compare our timings. Yes, fast. Sushil, Divya, Susansa, Manoj, how much time we need to write a table of 87?
It takes time.
How much time, sir? Please write down whatever is coming in your mind. तभी उससे फास्ट होंगे ना. अगर आप पहले ही आप सेकंड्स में बता देंगे, फिर फास्ट कैसे करेंगे हम? और अच्छा लगेगा आपको, जितना आज कर पा रहे हैं उससे ज्यादा कर पाएंगे. You'll feel better. Enjoy every moment. ये वर्कशॉप को अगर आप लाइव क्लास समझेंगे तो you'll enjoy. अगर आप इसको एग्जांपल लेके चलेंगे कि हमें ही बेनिफिट मिल रहा है. 5 to 6 minutes, says Sushil. Yes. Okay. Now, see, we have learned only 2 methods to do till now. One is cramming. Cramming means 87 ones are 87. 87 twos are 174. 87 threes are 261. And like this. Of cramming, how can you remember all the tables? It's very difficult to cram everything. And you know, we always say we should not cram. As a teacher, कभी आप बोलते हैं बच्चों को कि cram करो? किसी भी सब्जेक्ट का टीचर होगा या पेरेंट होगा, nobody ever suggests कि we should cram. Every teacher, every parent says, understand the concept, then learn it, and then practice it. But maths में जैसे ही tables आते हैं, to get rid of all the things, teacher says cram the tables, because no other method they know. Second we teach is, okay, 87 plus 87, 174. Then again we'll add up. So we keep on adding and finding the results. Correct? Yes, any other method? So this is your first method. This is your second method. Any third method you know? Manoj?
No, sir.
We can do like this also, sir. 8 to the 7 to the 14, then carry over 1. So we get 8 to the 16 plus 1, add, we get 17, 174, like that also.
To the students, are you teaching this way?
No, it's just a way to remember the table. The 11, 12, it will be more easier for our students, no? That's why.
That is the problem I faced. None of the students in Nepal could do more than 12. So because 12, I targeted, if you see.
It's just another way. You asked for the another way. No, that's why it's just another way to the multiplication.
See, now my simple question, if I have to write a 16 table, all will say more than 3 minutes, 4 minutes. But do we know table of 1?
Yes.
No.
Simple.
Yes.
Write down.
उसके लिए हमें मेमोराइज करने की जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि हमें अंडरस्टैंडिंग
Table 12, 13, 24, 30, 36, and so on. Now remember your concept. 1 digit at 1 place value. This is your unit place. This is your tens place.
32.
16 is perfect. 2 as it is.
64.
1 further. So 32. 8 as it is. 1 moves further. So 4. 4 as it is. 2 moves further. So 6. 0 as it is. 3 moves further. 8. So what is easy? Adding 16 every time. Or adding 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, which is easy.
Second one is easy.
So why don't we follow this?
Obviously, that one was easy, but it's new for us, no? That's why we are just learning from you.
See, try to understand. As a teacher, when we learned anything new after our job, after we started or after confirmation of our job, see, this is the biggest problem. We never update our education. I was giving a seminar in very big institution, a very big college. So I asked the teacher the same thing. Why don't you, if this is very easy, why don't you teach this way? She said, we learned that way, so we teach on that way only. I said, see, we were taught paranthas, rotis, chapatis. We upgraded ourselves to pizzas. So why don't we upgrade ourselves in education system? When was the last time we learned something new to teach to our students? Yes. When was the last time we learned something new to teach, just to teach our students? Or to learn something new for ourselves? Or to upgrade ourselves? When was the last time? It was when we were not appointed on our jobs. So after we got the job, we never try to learn anything new. We keep on repeating the same. See, when you keep on repeating the same, even you get bored and your students get bored. Because you're not offering them something new, something out of the box. Whatever is written in the book that you are continuing. Is this technique difficult? It is just based on your concept, 1 digit at 1 place value. That's all. Yes, Divya? Samyan? Samajh aaya? Samyan, did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you can write the table of any 27. Okay, everyone, please try for 27. Writing a table of 7 and finishing it up. 4, 6, 8, 10. Let's go for only this much till now. 14, 21, 28, 35. So 27 as it is, 54, 51, 138, 135. No difficulty in adding also. Because we are adding single digits. Yes, Bakutta sir, kuch difficult tha?
No.
This is the problem. Why don't we implement in our education system? See, the basic thing is an institution should provide confidence to the student. Let's decide after that conclude what is good. So that development is necessary. We just focus on teaching the difficult things. Why? Cram. If asked for 87 table, cram it. Who will ask in the exam? Without multiplication, you cannot do division also. Without multiplication, you cannot do certain things in mathematics. And that is the stuff. First fear it develops. Now what happens? You know, in class 10th, if you're not getting good marks in mathematics, a teacher says to the parents, please change his or her subject, and you ask them to change to arts or commerce or medical if they are well to do. But maths, can you leave maths? Can you avoid maths in life? Somebody said initially, yes, maths is the day-to-day routine. Yes, it is a day-to-day routine. You cannot avoid mathematics. There is one topic which every human being should know in order to survive in life. That is money transactions. And it is the most easiest topic in mathematics, all from 9 and last from 10. That you should teach to your staff, your junior staff, your drivers, your attendants, your maids, your sweepers, because they'll be helpful for you only. You will be only sending them to the market to purchase something, and they always make a mistake. So if they know that money transaction, they will never make a mistake, and it would be helpful to you only. And how much time does it take to learn that? Only 2 minutes. It is the most easiest thing to learn in life and the most asset to the life. I'll teach you. If today we get time, otherwise tomorrow I'll tell you how to do that. Yes, done.
Yes, sir, continue.
This is done. Yes, anyone? Sushi, Divya, this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So,
Clear.
87. Now 87 is very easy. 16, 14, 24, 21, 22, 28, 40, 35. So what is this? 87, 4, 17, 1, 26, 8, 34, 5, 43. Finish. And very easily we can do without any stress in our mind, what calculation I'm doing. And if I would supposed to do this 87 plus 87 every time, carryovers. So all carryovers gone.
4, 7, 1, 1, 6, 2, 8, 4,
Oh,
3,
done.
Done?
5.
Okay. One more, please do 98. Everyone please do, then we'll move to bigger numbers. 98, please try. Samyan, try beta.
27, 24, 27, 3, 36, 34, 32.
196 294 392 45 490.
96.
कितना इजी था सर?
92,
इजी था ना सर?
3, now 36, 66, 3, 4.
Very
600, 800, 8, 3. That's it.
Done, sir. It's
Yes.
it's become so easy.
Now clear. Very good. Yes, Rajina. You said no. What was that?
Not for this, sir.
Okay. Any doubt anyone has? See, almost we are together for 2.5 hours. Did you get bored? And
No, sir.
we cannot sit in a math class for 40 minutes. So why we are finding it interesting?
Yes.
Okay. No issues. Let's say it is 123. Still 2, 4, 6, 3, 6, 9, 4, 8, 12, 5, 10, 15. So see, all these three, same answer. You don't have to even calculate. Just rearrange. Here 2, 9, 4, 5, 1, 6. Finish. So this way you can do 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit, any number of digits. Clear? Please complete this 1, 2, 3 first. The certificate would be issued only if you have filled the registration form. In case you are finding any difficulty in filling the registration form, you can send me a message on my mobile number. I'm sharing you. Right. So we'll do it. But after the workshop, don't worry right now. Tomorrow also we'll have at the same time, because I think all of you have holiday tomorrow in Nepal. Maximum are from Nepal, Burma, Canada, and India. So for digits, same method. Digits means, Sushil Chaudhary, please, for digits means?
सर ये 1 2 3 2 4 6 तो ये डबल वाला जो आप नॉर्मल ही बता रहे हैं ना ये
3 डिजिट आ गया ना ये ऐसे ही लिख दिया ना, इसमें देखो कोई चेंज ही नहीं आया। मैंने क्या कहा कि
इसमें कोई चेंज नहीं, आप समझाने के लिए लिखे हो।
3 स्टेप्स में तो कोई चेंजेस ही नहीं है। 4 digits also same, Sushil. I'll give you one example. 9, 8, 7, 6. So 18, 16, 14, 12, 27, 24, 21, 18. So क्या होगा? 9, 8, 7, 6, 2, 5, 7, and 19. 8, 2, 6, 27, 29. Clear, Sushil? Okay, great. Now, some of you teachers might say this thing. Sir, we don't get tables in our papers, so why should we do? That is the reason we don't learn. I totally agree to you. But all of you get questions, or students get questions on multiplication. Suppose this is a question, 7. How will you solve? You solve 8 sevens are? Yes, 8 sevens are?
56.
5. 8, 8, 64 and 5? 9. Then 6.
9.
Then 8, 9 is 72 and 6.
72 plus 6, 78.
78.
Now this is such a simple. Again, students are making mistakes. Why? Because they overlook this. They get confused. Now I'll give you the Vedic math way. What is 7 into 8?
56.
Write down 56.
64.
64. 72.
72.
Now that's it. You have balancing line.
72.
6, 9, 78.
7, 8, 9, 6.
Now you will say, sir, you have taken 2 steps. Here it was 1 step. I do agree. But here the solution is in front of you. Student will never get confused. They will never make a silly mistake because they can always check their answers. And this is what we just did in tables. though in tables the only line was missing. No? Just think of a table 980.
सर इसी में अगर 2 डिजिट वाला है तो भी यही सेम मेथड है.
2 डिजिट
987
बहुत टेक्निक्स हैं, बहुत टेक्निक्स हैं. 2 डिजिट्स में 3 डिजिट्स में बहुत से कंसेप्ट्स हैं. ये जस्ट बेस्ड ऑन टेबल्स है. इट इज मल्टीप्लिकेशन बेस्ड ऑन टेबल. 2 digits के there are 13 methods if you see for scaring, 8 methods for multiplication. Vedic class will give you enormous ways. It is your mind, it is your choice. You do anything. The purpose is visualization. Even algebra, if you are math teacher, algebra you need 4 to 5 lines to solve. So here it can be solved in a single line. Algebraic division, even equations for which you need 10 lines, here it can be done in one single line. Very powerful. Square roots, cube roots. Now cube roots, if I give you one single number, you cannot, because making factors is not easy. Anyhow, that is, tomorrow we'll be learning about squares and cubes. You'll understand then. So got it? Is this clear? Here, answer is in front of them. They will never make a silly mistake. Thing. And balancing is, they'll understand. So they will never go wrong. Correct? No carryovers required. Great. Okay. Coming further. So this was tables. That was the biggest burden on any child to remember tables. Now you just need tables up till 8. 9 you can do using the first concept. Now you'll say we started from 19. So 9 will be done like 0, 9. So 0 plus 1. So you'll just add 1 to every figure. Correct? Got it? 9 can be taken as 0, 9. So adding 1 will give you the solution. So that means you just need to learn tables up till 8. Others can be easily written, which was very difficult earlier. Correct? The first advantage of Vedic math was it increases speed 10 to 15 times faster. The second is you need not to learn cram tables. The burden of tables gets removed. Third reason. So this is what we did. You'll be getting these notes. You can download these notes and then you'll see. And this was writing 23 table, moving accordingly, 76. Third reason, why should we learn Vedic mathematics? Because it reduces scratch work as well as finger counting. Now, scratch work you mean, if you remember, if you know, whenever there is a math exam, we always give rough sheets. Why is it required? Because students have to solve something in the rough work. They have to verify the answers in rough work. But here, because the solutions are within your mind, you can do mentally or maximum in a single line. So that rough work is reduced to a large extent. Second thing I'm writing here, it reduce as well as finger counting. What is finger counting? Yes, anyone? What is finger counting? Have you seen kids doing like this? Fingers, they're counting on fingers, 1, 2, and if you see, this looks very untidy. And why does this habit develop? It develops from the school itself, because so many kids are learning on fingers. Why? They have been doing abacus since long. So that builds a habit. So when you will start teaching Vedic maths, the first question any parent will come to you and ask is, what is the difference between Vedic mathematics and abacus? Yes, how many of you have this question in your mind?
I have also.
Yes, only one?
Me too, sir.
Me
Anyone
too,
else?
sir. Yes,
Okay.
I have also.
So what do you know about abacus or Vedic maths? Anyone knows about abacus?
I have done a first level course, sir. Abacus.
Okay.
Only addition.
How much time you took to learn addition?
My course almost finished in, I think, 3 or 4 months.
So for 4 months, you learnt only addition.
First level.
Okay, first level. How much time that?
Yeah, only first level.
Here,
did nearly of 3-4 months.
here
1 month में सर 8 hour करवाते हैं and 3 months लेते हैं. उसके according होता है.
Here you take only 2 hours to learn addition, subtraction. Now I'll give you the difference. See, I will not say with abacus is not good. No, it is a very good tool for your mind. For small kids, it's very good. But it was good until we were not aware of Vedic mathematics. It was good until we were not given this subject, Vedic mathematics. Now, I'll give you a comparison. Limited scope. Now, addition, now abacus is used for the major operations like arithmetic, what you call as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Correct? Can you try with square roots, cube roots, square or algebra in Vedic, in abacus? Can you do algebra? Whereas,
no, sir.
Whereas in Vedic mathematics, it has wider reach. With the help of those 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras, we can solve any problems in arithmetic. So all addition, subtraction, multiplication, division done, squares, square roots, cube roots done. Algebra can be done. Simultaneous linear equations, quadratic equations, geometry, trigonometry, calculus, conics, and even organic chemistry. And everything can be done within 3-4 months. Correct? This is the first difference. Second, for abacus, you need a tool. Now that tool is made up of beads and all. Can you carry a tool everywhere?
Yes, sir.
Can you carry a tool everywhere?
No, sir.
Not really,
You
sir.
cannot carry to your school, you cannot carry to your exam, but you can carry your brain everywhere. So in Vedic maths, we are focusing on mental development. We are doing every calculation on the brain. So that is much easier. Now today, if I was teaching you abacus, I would have been holding a abacus instrument here and you would have been listening, and due to video problem, nobody would have been able to understand also. So it is much easier. Vedic maths is much easier to learn as well as teach also. Correct? Wider scope, no tool. Our mind is a tool, and easy to learn, easy to teach, and the most important thing, it can be inculcated in your school syllabus. Because Vedic maths is not a different subject. Please understand this thing. It is not a different subject. It is a different approach to your mathematics. It is a different way of solving your mathematics subject. That's all. So it can be inculcated in your syllabus, and that is why it is getting more beneficial. Any questions you have?
सर अगर हम लोग क्लासेस कोर्सेज पूरा करते हैं तो ये अलजेब्रा एंड ज्योमेट्री के भी सारे इस कोर्स में आता है, राइट? 16 सूत्र एंड 13 सब सूत्र सारे आएंगे.
पहली चीज एक समझिए, सूत्र जरूरी नहीं है कि वो सिर्फ अलजेब्रा का है या वो सिर्फ ज्योमेट्री का है. जैसे हम बात कर रहे हैं ई कादिकेना सूत्रा की, अभी मैंने जस्ट एक बात की ई कादिकेना सूत्रा. ई कादिकेना सूत्रा में अभी हमने इसको अप्लाई किया टेबल में. करेक्ट? ई कादिकेना सूत्रा का दूसरा रोल आएगा फाइंडिंग द स्क्वायर्स ऑफ द नंबर. वो कल करेंगे एंड यू विल सी आप मेंटली स्क्वायर ऑफ अ नंबर निकाल पाएंगे मेंटली विद इन 2 सेकेंड्स. उसका एक एडवांटेज आता है वल्गर फ्रैक्शंस में. वल्गर फ्रैक्शंस आर like 1 by 19, 2 by 19, 3 by 19 or 2 by 39. These are known as vulgar fractions, जिसका कोई एंड नहीं होता. जो recurring decimals होते हैं 18 डिजिट के 10 डिजिट के, उसमें बहुत इजी है. करेक्ट? ऐसे ही एक सूत्र आता है निखिलम सूत्र. निखिलम मीन्स निखिलम नवतय कर्मम दशतय, या इंग्लिश में कह देते हैं all from 9 last from 10. So it is very good tool for subtraction या money transaction. Second, it is very good for multiplication. 999 into 999, 998,001. Finish. Yeah, so ये दो हो गए. ऐसे ही that we do use for our division, that we use in so many other. Now, second thing, try to understand until and unless your arithmetic is clear. Later are just applications of Vedic mathematics, like we do fractions. Now in fractions, we don't have any sutra related. We don't have new sutra or LCM, HCF. We don't have any sutras, but we apply the same multiplication procedure to make that LCM, HCF easier, right? So this is the approach.
Yeah.
So, and one sutra can be applied number of ways. I'll share. And you, I generally give a soft book of ebook of all the sutras, so you can download that from announcement section. You'll get a hint of all the sutras. Correct? There you'll find. But yes, for practice you have to undergo complete training. Otherwise, all the sutras have been 29 sutras and sub sutras have been explained. Correct? Yes. Anyone else? Okay. Now, so first reason, I got it, fast speed. Second reason, reduces of the burden. No need to cram tables. Third, I said, yes, what was the third reason? Just now we did. No scratch work and finger counting. Fourth reason, it helps to increase concentration. Now, as a teacher, you might have got this problem. Every time parents are coming to you, my child is not able to concentrate. Correct? As a principal person, sir, parents आपके पास भी आते होंगे कि हमारा बच्चा concentrate नहीं कर पाता.
Nice, nice.
आता है ना ये question? So why there is lack of concentration? Why they are not able to concentrate?
There no interest on studying.
Yes, they don't have any interest.
Actually, this increase the interest on students also. That's why.
Yes. So why? But as a school authorities, as a principals, as a directors, as a institutions, as a teachers, or as a parent, it is our moral duty also that we should create that interest. Okay. When you were doing multiplication with 11, yeah, when you were doing tables, were you not feeling some vibes going positive in your body? Were you not feeling something happy, joyous? Yes. Positivity lag rahi thi kuch.
Now it's so interesting. No need to go very deep.
Why it was that? So when you were finding it positivity, तभी हम 2.5 घंटे से बैठे हैं ना. हम क्यों नहीं छोड़ रहे class? Because we were feeling positive. And whenever you find that interest, so what is concentration? Concentration is nothing but repetition action of something. Repetition action of your education or any topic or anything. So that will come only when you have interest in that topic. And that interest will come only if you find it helpful for you also. So that positive vibes have to be created. And once that positive vibes are there, interest is there, the student will always be able to concentrate because he'll again repeat and repeat, right? So this is how concentration increases. So students, see, so many research are going on this topic. I'm also associated with Art of Living. And there we found that students who are doing yoga meditation, they definitely progress a lot. But adding Vedic maths to it, it gives a tremendous effects, right? Okay. Last but not least, it helps to reduce silly mistakes. Now, what are silly mistakes? We said students don't find interest, this and that. But tell me one thing, sir. Right in the beginning, class 2, when they start with subtraction, at that time they are too young to understand all this interest and everything. Why do they make silly mistakes at that time? And what are the silly mistakes? You know, the silly mistakes in mathematics are multiple carryovers. Like when you were doing that 576 into 121, if you would have done in a normal way, it would have given you so many carryovers every time. Now, multiple carryover will always create a confusion because students, they don't cut above and they get problem. Similarly, borrow. borrow is the biggest problem to everybody. 1000 minus 33 or 333. A student cannot understand how this one get converts to 9 and 9 and then 10. We don't have any answer to that. How that conversion occurs. So in Vedic mathematics, the methods are simple. And in subtraction, we don't have borrow. There is no borrow at all. So without borrow, we subtract. And that is very easy, right? So this way, it helps to reduce our silly mistakes. No carryovers, no multiple carryovers, sorry. Carryover तो थोड़ा सा होता ही है 11 multiplication में आपने देख लिया. But no multiple carryovers. And in borrow, we don't have any borrow system. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. So, any disadvantages do you feel now? We're coming to the end of the session, so don't worry. Near about. Still 10 minutes to go. I can continue for 1 more hour if you want. You can start with new topic. It all depends on you. Okay, yes. Any disadvantages? Yes, Divya, Neelam, Prasan sir.
Sir, I didn't find.
You didn't find.
No,
Okay. Divya.
No, sir.
Yes, Shil Chaudhary. Anita, Manoj,
No, sir.
Jose. No, I'll give you 2 disadvantages. One thing, you have to remove that calculators in your home. So they will be useless now. Second, your friends would be jealous of you now. See, you know, when I asked you today one question, what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11? Nobody was able to answer. Similarly, today, after this workshop, ask to anyone, any math teacher, any PhD, any doctorate, will not be able to calculate that fast. And you all know. Similarly, if you practice, you'll be knowing every calculation this way, that simple way. And calculators no more required. Correct? So on the lighter note, yes, there are no disadvantages, but yes, people will get right. Okay. So now, before moving ahead, okay. So when I started with the workshop, I said, welcome to the magical world of Vedic mathematics. Now you believe that it is magical? How many of you think it is
Yes,
magical?
sir.
Magic.
Yes, sir.
So if we start teaching this subject to the students, we'll start, and so many schools in Nepal have already implemented in Akaria region in Doti, and very soon starting in Kathmandu also. And India, of course, so many schools have implemented because in India, it's a compulsion now. So they have to implement. So magical, yes. Now,
Sir, in India, हर स्कूल में implement मतलब
compulsory policy में आ गया 2020 की policy 2020 we call it as national education policy. So implement हो रहा है. अभी first phase चल रहा है. We are training the teachers. Like if you see my profile, on that government of Haryana has given me the target to teach 10,000 teachers of Haryana. Similarly, I am teaching SSRVM school teachers that are 88 in number in South India. So every state has started. Gujarat for Rajasthan. I'm working now as a director of Vedic mathematics in Madhav University also. So we are working for Rajasthan also. And slowly and steadily, by next year, they have to implement. If because of Corona, schools were not open properly, so definitely it is in the phase, but it has to be implemented now. Okay. I'll give you some situations of current situation. Now, all of you are teachers, you might have faced the situation, might be you have not faced if you joined earlier, but what is the right situation right now? Are your certificates enough? Maybe you are a topper, you are a gold medalist. Are those certificates enough to crack an interview?
No.
Oh, sir.
No.
All are required now. See, nowadays, certificates are okay. Yes, it gives you the entry to that. But without presentation skills, without how you teach, do you get the job?
Sir, no.
This is, I'm just talking of on the topic of teachers. Similarly, in the case of meeting in the commercial, in the corporate sector, we do require, you may be a employee who is coming to the job regularly, but what happens if he's not able to deliver that in the meeting? Because everything depends on how you deliver. Correct? Now, if I conclude, I say everyone is today a salesperson. As a teacher, you are a salesperson because you are teaching something so that you are exchanging knowledge, one thing. Second thing, you are getting more students in that school just because of your teaching. So basically, you are selling your knowledge. I am training you today. So that what is I am doing? I'm selling my knowledge so that you get more close to this subject, Vedic mathematics. If you go to a shop selling computers, he'll be selling you the computers. If you go for to search for a home, a person would be there to guide you. What he's selling, he's also selling that brokerage. So everyone, it's not only the calls we receive early in the morning from a bank, sir, start account, or an insurance company to take insurance. They are not only salesperson. Every human being is now a salesperson, because you have to promote, you have to work on your product, your either product or your services. So everyone is directly or indirectly a salesperson today, and without that, it's not possible. So what thing is required? Now, all of us are here to learn Vedic mathematics. For what purpose? To become a trainer, to become a teacher, to guide somebody later on. So what is required? There are two things which are required. One is content. If you don't have the content, what will you deliver? If you don't have the thorough knowledge of the subject, what you will deliver? And second, delivery. If you've got content, you've taken the books from so many people, you have a library of books, but you are not able to deliver, then how will anybody understand you? See, the basic difference has come, a very big difference, not basic, I would say, after Corona. Earlier, education was limited to 4 walls of a room, of a classroom. Whatever a teacher was teaching, a student was abiding to that. Parents were also agreed, yes, that person is your teacher, you should listen to that. So at the time of PTM, if a teacher was complaining against the student, parents used to thrash the student at that time itself. Why you're not listening to your teacher? Why you are not doing what she is asking or what he's expecting? But now time has changed. After Corona, everybody is online. So if you are getting more opportunities to work, there is more competition, global competition, I would rather say. So when now you teach some complaint to a parent, he say, I also know how you teach because I've seen the other person. Because so many programs are available free of cost also on YouTube and everywhere. So they compare your knowledge, your skills, communication skills, and how you present yourself. And so content and delivery have become very important. Yes, Mr. Basant, do you agree with me? The post phase of Corona. Yes, Basant sir. कोरोना के बाद पेरेंट्स की ये शिकायत आती है कि टीचर पढ़ा ठीक नहीं रहा आपका.
Lots of problems were there, sir.
Yes, it comes, I know. So the two factors were content and delivery. Now, coming to the homework, concluding that. See, one, I'll be sharing homework to everyone. So, जिनका मुझे अभी तक WhatsApp number नहीं मिला, I will not be able to share. So please share the WhatsApp number right now. I have shared you my number there. Second, we will be learning tomorrow how to launch online classes, how to start with your classes. That is a part. So you should have a Facebook account for that. So in case you don't have, please open a Facebook account, and we will, and you have to create a Facebook page. Again, कोई difficulty आए, you can WhatsApp me, I'll help you in that, because that will be the way how you can launch your classes. Rachna Rai, please add the, you're from Nepal or India, because that numbers are quite similar.
No, I'm from Nepal.
So 977, please add it again, right? Thank you. All right. So, and the third, if you can go for it, have an Instagram ID. So we'll learn tomorrow how to launch your classes also online. So homework one you will be doing, homework will be regarding the tables and multiplication of 11. And the other homework is you should open a Facebook page and an Instagram page. Any questions now? Yes, now open to you. So any questions you have?
सर अकाउंट और पेज मतलब जो हम लोग नॉर्मल प्रोफाइल है वो फेसबुक पेज नहीं है, अलग से क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा।
वो प्रोफाइल होता है, प्रोफाइल में आपके फ्रेंड्स आते हैं, पेज पे आपके लाइक्स आते हैं। जैसे आप घर से बिजनेस नहीं करते ना, एक ऑफिस खोलते हैं, तो ऐसे पेज से आपकी वो कंपनी रिप्रेजेंट करता है। पेज पे आपका लाइक्स आते हैं, पेज पे आपका मैप आता है, पेज पे आपके रिव्यूज आते हैं जो प्रोफाइल पे नहीं होते। राइट?
ओके सर, गॉट इट।
Because that would be beneficial for you. Otherwise, we'll learn tomorrow. Yes, any other questions you have? Yes, Basanta sir, Divya, A7 Galaxy रखना रहा है। A7 Galaxy ने अपना नाम नहीं बदला, मुझे नाम ही नहीं पता अभी तक। What should I say? ऋषभ, समयन, होमवर्क करना है बेटा आपने तो। Anyone, any doubt, any questions you have, please can ask me now.
No, sir.
No, sir. Let's
So
see you tomorrow.
Namaste. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much for keeping so patient.
So much, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.